Wakire uya mwancho murigire Ogetembe TV ase eritukeriga aria Jumanne yechitariki 22 mutinyo iga uyu gatano na kabere mutinyo guchugwa kanse ase chimbero mono anonsia so iweterio geriga koro na boigo konyora chibichechi naki ogendrete ano muno ekiro obono iga akoranga asiasa egendete kobetanse na boigo amangana ao yogokumia agendete gukorekana kuraiga ase orgongo rogsi. Karibu sana ase umuroberi wiga bwetwani Agetembe na boigo miroberi yelitukeriga erinde tinyare gosanga senchira ere yobwa monchenkropa Matilda Obaigwa na inde ike muntu na cross studio ya Kabira Mike Wills wakubatirana na Jasper. Karibu sana chinsemo cha Facebook Getembe TV na boigo chinsemo cha YouTube naro tonyore buna Getembe TV ase emambie ya bono litukeriga mtochi gosanga amange ekegima ayo agendete watka ase chinsemo ona boigo mtochi ko yakwanira ase oboime muno krenda ase chingaki chiga chawono. Karibu sana tunyara gosanga ase nsemo yekeunga na kirango chaka nigo bono abanyanyimbo bachakire obotuki kubwatikana anegekore ase omwana w'imyaka 5 anyarete gutuka kare umubere bw'omwana w'emyaka 5 onyarete gutuka ase gisona kia mate yabo oyubono onyarete gutuka kore n'echingoma chintindi ase omutwe kerewe kagere nigo mwana oyo onyarete goitwa ase nchira yokongento abanyanyimbo koro ase getasene ikia nyanjo nigo banyarete goika ase nkeyo na kurusia omubere oyo aroro na bwigo koyo mnyokia ase enkendu una umuriketo Daniel Ontiri agotoigorera ase biro ebiga byabono mambe
Kiani natigo mwana nyumba
ebikore by'abantu gutuka bakwete hasi chinchira chibotutukano nigo beralekanire komentekana na monasa matuka bwangoiga nase gikore kya bwangoiga nasa bamenyi bekenyiro kya Nyanguru ime ya Nyankongo hasi kaunti ya Kisii baichanigwa negekore hasi umubere w'omwana umumura w'emyaka 5 utoke gesona kinyumba y'umwamatobo oyoringe n'echingoma chintinde asumotwe nasa maboko hasi akagerubuna nigangentwa nogutugutwa sensemeyo
enabo kama bi umwana byarenge akwana no umwana na mobekere getamba na musibabia anta biwansi no menifungia bisuri amataisa kwa bere bia so aborerara oyo mwabona ari ngomo korekera asinye na motigane na matabie sibi na miyoka uchese nyaruka yana enke na chikoya tabire ne tubwati kento kuri ranchi na so ayo na nyomwana nerega kumyoka kurumate iga utira onde na incho mwana ngayari bon tuwa so kubona twese tuwa bamachara twese para no tore ne kamati yana bono na bwati ngo ikarugoroga iga mwamuro minde nyomba ne rura iga rende abo ri umuswati ipa mera kwa no rero no kumyoka uchiano umwana ibiru ko mwana taiyo onkani ya yo mwana ki umwana aromete mwana mumuro mindo ori osire to mochokoroyi mwana yumborire totaraji gotabuki omuntu oyo tokoiwe bikuru nane ngomatere ndo muro iganyore nyaruke no mwana ukari kumuita nande to minyoke twamyoka na pamer to gwikaga to no mwana osire mwana ngesonari omwana bari gesona ndo chinga gakire ko mutu igoro lakini njimna namuri omwana igo okoranga gakire ko maiga no abimbete bono chimna bomuro chimnari
abayibuli banyegosira nigo egotebekana babeire nichitabauti ase nyomo ase gekabono no mwana iga nigo konye amenyete asaba amate na tatu mwabo oikabuna awomera makweria ye
mwana oyo ane gaba amenyete chirandi bagasinyana no mungu subati ya bwat karabasinyana tukana ngara gambe kineke na gambe tolimi bagande yaya umwana nje bamuswati atanje umwana nengora ngene muri mwana no makano muira nakwa nanje desamana kabwa atikirwe mwana handi tuketa kule tira ngara misi chuma na mwana uwo ukanyara mwana uwo ngoboli mama isanga kina handi ngimwaka ngana mwana aje dogwa mwana agairete nando ndate runtutira abamenyete jirandi ejo muswati akamuka kanyando rwao somuka ko mwana ngwana kumuboli ngakibana nganje tinta kitimu mudo jipi toto ketimo mwana le mwana na ngangenda ngabora rende kanjire ko iro mwana tigo mwana akine ngamate mwana eno yano noira mwiso no achaira ne bwana ake rende mwana agacha bakamenye randi mumuno na rubo mabuka makone randi agacha bona musubati ominto
Abamenyi b'ensimiga nigo bagikeria gakorekyo bakwanira boigo ebinde bingabunebi na muno ebyo gukwa kwa abantu abanene ebyo byabaire ebyabotambase bare
ebyo birabinka waira nko babire amukanyo umuntu akwete wakuminga ngakiakwa lakini rende asike this an isolated case tudasakotaba tubasikonyoranga ngasa chine no muntu muiti utokirande gati kabere egera ike kuzuiwa mapema atara ikakora destruction atara ikakora boiti bwetaneti
okwa ko mwana iga nigo kwaba okororo gwetanie kerengo asikiribuna omwana iga nigagenderete nechi clinic maga yokobune kokoboko na niga kwa gasibeire okoboko gose kabekere plaster asokoboko kwaye gukorio maga yokumya achinga ke baringe gochiesa na banda bande ekore kyagikirwa nabange baboria bono botuki kwango igwa elia bakagerwa boimukirigi getambo kirege tindikiri chiko nkuriboterege toseni kyagatembe kurega se county ya Kisii letrene ngurku Daniel Montiri
Moncho murigere gutigara na inde me county ya Kisii ni gobono ya matemo korwa ase kenyoro kya nyanderema egotoka umatieko sub location ime ye ward ya Bugusero bono ereno moichano magiga yechi nyumba cyabo cyetugo cyanyarete ko ya obutuko bugukira igoro nekero bono ya mateyo yanyarete gosiria enibo enyinge gosetugo yabo eyo bwataranete chimboli isano onaibere nekero bono banyare kurwa okoboria buna obutuki bukorekane erekomanya ngike rete enyumba eyo kose chinyumba echo chietugo okoya korende omo MCA wechinsemecho kose omo MCA Obogusero omoske Vincent Abuga nigo anyarete gwikirana ase eamate yo nakobora nango chobare kwanakia enka eyo yanyorere obwene bwabo anko dipo nasanya noro asenjira ekobwatia
Gekore getari kia botambe ekyo kiabere gekugikiriwa ko bachimuma nige amate yo mugakanari kurwase kenyoro kya nyanderema gutuke miesa location ya matieko ward ya Bogusero yasiririe enibonya abo enyinge mayo yo gusamberwa chinyomba ibere obotuko bugukira rero
Douglas Musari Manai igano wona yarenge mwendo saa 9 nake wesindo elio kile eliagire kurwa ingo soka ingo nyore miji yaire isaranze ndikitia no kufura sababu na watu wangu kura kende ngiane kwa watu anja kokonya
nigo yarorekana koba ogwa kwokonene
no yena etabu wangu iga oganeri ko yande university kuchagira umutinyo yonani nyomba iga narore binte binge biyete chibando chiyeto bori narambuyete usamba chimbori more than 7 nowadays embori engepie ko urwata around 6000 chiwese jina bo cheisa ino mwana ogoru na shopping ejinde chimente ni ku mwana chake SMS tentangani
gukwana nabamenyi abwe nigo batebangenkeye iga nigo yairwe ngai gwetanie ntunda yemo
bari mara tangani abaye barato kare utare mojo muri gatatu toreire mai kabuga toja baite bintu byose TV iro pendeke no batuone asbe serikali yetu kwani
yani juzi bintu bya kore kana ibinge sana bya kore kana ibisa ne ibinge mono tego tuwe ngokoteyo itoke ndiyo ibintu bya kore kana nyombe ibinge mo twanya chi report mwana nje mo ga kuwegenyero
nanyine bo nigo yabete itimumbaba asabamenyi benkeyo
aya nama kweli kwa sababu yale kunyarekana nga abantu mbara ile nyombe ye mese chimboli cyarenge angabone mebere mo cyariye kare
onye erekiri yake onye bakabwata amagoso ari ikintu kinini yabo asaba nyene tigabatebane kuba koena nasara bona babone nasara itangani uko no kwa andi nyasaye gakore tege kone inyumba yetawa testing anga abantu bakabamenye bara anga bapunite
juzi ga aseke ngeko nganya bigena abami ntombale konya bayinokere kurwega asa mapema saa 2 saa 3 gabakwenda ka ayo mona ba kwemioro mutwe one ni to byokorekana bikoreto bwoba
omwe musibe ward ya Bogusero Vincent Abuga nigekera na senkeywe singakibona abolirie abagambi kurangirie geikaro asobwango lyo banyare gukwanira igoro yokomenteka kw'ibikoro by'obusaria chinsemo ekyo.
Abana baita bamura bachakire barosire gikundi gyo guterrorize abantu baitu gutku ontaite gusaba ng'a amang'ana ya the moment tokonyaribaga nkogenderare end result no ena abantu baitu bakobere echiro bakabutuku ase ng'encho kweri riboneke gocha kogera bao gweko kore biasara ontaite gusaba basaye baitu na butambe ngoteba ekarakari yao kore bintu biri biechi shortcut ontagete kuri kwesi kwa niaba y'abantu bonse babusero nga administration eyeko baredi by umu assistant chief umuske Umbati umuchifu bweria umuske Ngoya together na abaskari baitu ba musocho ready by umu OCS ontagete gusabanga very quickly asa maskania manene murangiri barasa in live unanya kora chimboli chiko yebaka cha onchoka cha bari ontagete gusabanga quickly anye kumanyite ngango akorete genteke umiyo kusaba kwabira pastors naba sasroti nabande sabira abantu because nabeko nyarga ngatari uwanja kwabo no muiko chiroro mu
kuripotire kitasanikia uwanja tekia Getembe kurega sekenyuru kya Nyanderema kigutukemie sub location ya Matiako ime yebunge ya Kitutu chache sauti leteria nenkuru kwa Dipon Asanya
Mwancho murierere gotigana nayo nabonchorere abagokorera obonchorere bwabo gose biasara mbarabare no mubagani ochoma aigase umucho basongo niko banyarire kwa murunganeria egetambukiro kemo ekero bono banyarite ko woka ritukore goro kwikirana aso bonchorere bwabo nakonyora munanigo asayo agitire kore nene kero bakobori serikali ya county enyare kwesonania asengane yo nakobakonya banyare kwirania ribaga riabo konyora abakonerie kiagera bagoteba nigo babe asa yosige kegetambe nande noka bakorusia umugati obo okera litukubuna mienda samu agotumanya
aigese biashara ebi no tokorusia twakane rent twakanira abane skuru twakana nona madeni yechironi tobwate byombe awo
abonchereria bari mbarabare no mubogani ochoma igo baboka nakonyora asaba korera uboncherero bwabo obekiro burendi asaba koreire uboncherero bwabo asege kegetambe
una toleiga ntuna abanyabiashara bagaiga urupawa twabeire tokonera insege miaka emenge twakorera more than 10 years tokobera gaiga wana twatete tukanyora gaiga twabeke iruchi chuma ntotakeiri kwara gaiga tokoboli ninkie kebento ligote uni ngoto gitera gaiga toberoje chisocha chiroro bagotoseri nemesigo yaito
lakini tubone sira tobwate gaiga urupawa neli tuaseli untomeite sitogoji.
Tumeamkia siku ya leo tumekuja kutandika kazi hapa, tumepata nafasi zetu. Mtu amesoge ameweka vitu zake, ameharibu hadi ameingia penye tunafanyiaga vibarua, amefence hatuna penye tunaweza tandika, halafu haku ametupea notice na then ameweka kwa government huku si kwake
kwemurunganiria egakorekyo ni bakoreire ubonchera bwabo asige kegetambe nonya umuchando yo obete asinga keyamo korende bakanyara kuba bakogayana
umuchando no abete karo kende tukayosorofu ukaera tukaira na tukare county gatubwachi tukaira na tukara
tunafanyia ndio ofisi yetu hapa CBC ndio tunafanyanga biashara. Mwenye anasema tusitandike hapa, mimi najua kuanzia hapa kurudi huku ni barabara ya serikali, kurudi huko ndio kwenye kwake, na hakuna sisi ndio tunatandika chini, tunazuiaje biashara zake
korengana na barabo no bakurusia engere yabo ya butambe watukana no gokunga kwiriguririo bugima
nsano tokurusie besa twaragereria bana ntobwate chironi togwaka na ntobwata madeni ngai togochi abana ne skuru bali
tometese togochi abande baito toreji singomata ndobwate se tokoena
igo basabire obotenere bwe county ko bakonya gekogera nkurubare rebango gochia ase county
haki itendeke juu we pay tunalipa ushuru tunafaa tufanyiwe haki county
reporter ya egetasene kya Getembe Njensam Yenda
Mwancho murigere gotigana nayo cross county ya Kisii abaibori beskuru ya St John Nyakwerema eyo gotoka ime bunge ya Burabase county ya Nyamira nigori tukuri goro banyarite korobekana magega yogoteba buna umwarimu moya onyara gocha ase skuru eyo bono bwae tiboli obuya naboigo nekiro aborokiwa nabro batemete okora okorobekana ase skuru eyo nigo banyarite gotangwa ekibono keirerete koreta eburaburu ase chinsemo echo Fatgad Gisemba katwariganiriro ase njira ya bene
nemambia yelitukuria lero imeye skuru igaya Nyakwerema secondary school igotoke meya wadi ya Kyabanyaru ebunga ya Borabu abaibuli abaigani go besokire baramonelio rocheli tindi asikirenga tebatageti mwalimu yule twasanya igabwango mono igikogera kulingana na Borabu ni skuli yiga yagendera ko bagekwire na magegasa matuka matambe
ya ikire skuru yekere bwata bana 18 twango ire binyoroka twarusira bana skuru twaretera twikire bana 200 koro 18 baka 200 waniga bamanyire go ikaboni ga tamwe kara baretero mwalimu wasaru skuru wetani sana nera baka twaretera skuru ma ntwara buri twanda bana gota bana mambia mwalimu otigagende skuru ne aba ikompuya
obo maene mpolinga skuru ete ya Nyakwirima eya gwete pi ekagupi baka tukasunga ngendrete twarusi abana skuru mali mbali twaje skuru gaiga chibara se toko ndoto wabanyarande skuru ende bwati bana karata bana bano Nyakwirima na imo keigoro umo isimi kwa pen mumanya kate batikasa pote skuru ya gara gendre ono ngaye ku kerenta to ko te won mabingo abana ba kubeke kurongo mwana mole tu mangao etoko sabaka moranje umwani moyo gakyagende
uko na monegeta sene kyagetembe niko baorokire njira sama tukama ega mwalimu ngabuno yegalete twase skuru ye nige skuru yegagire nete magega egento kalengana mona Borabu batatageti kwirorera
ekacheka ikatokaleta ruo mwalimu gete omugaka oreko chikoritaya akacha karari skuru ye karara pi paka tokasinywa bana bakatigara 19 tokacha tokaleta ruo mwalimu ondo korokusema orioki agateba aragitingi principal roro kaki twatemire koleta abana tokongorwe binyoronga ntorochi abanyarurande torabariri twatemire koleta abana ige sukuru ya itu twasabira abana abairi twasabira abana munanje bwiko manyene samposta abana 22 ocho twasabira abana ebinyoreze erinde naitwe kenyoro gite sukuru ya itebo ke kenyoro kakoraki keboke bone kenyoro gite ikiabokire twamanyire konyora abana bono mambi bagukure ebibe twasakire buna abaibori torore ninki kegendrete bagotete inga yaya no mwalimu ochire aranda atigaretie miaka ebere aritaje miaka ebere ngasikia gocha gokora igago cha kuritaje ngasikia korira gocha kuritaje onyore batagete batigo mwalimu oria abagitingi bakakore 84 system erinde torarete kenyoro gia itokera aboka
waigoni ko besokire na kugendera ku imurungarire kubatakana muno boteneri obo bwagendera ko bagokorwa asiskure yiga asibono bagosereri kunyara ko bakorusia abana babo na onye abo bisabeje semimba gwikirana sayiga na kunyara ko babago sunsura engane yiga
200 naende pasiera bwana ngete kora ragaya wasabu ne ito yaito Nyakwirima bono twateira ne bono
egatibo igo ya abahorokigwa nigo banyara ko bakorokurubekana se chinseme chiga asikaringa nigo bagikere igoro yogocha ku mwalimu ya sayiga asibaerere nganigo boboreire otkunyara ko bakogwasa matemo ari bosyo asibaganire kwegwa omwalimu rabakonye
bonongo chayo to yino na matemo tundu mumait nande kwanza ogotire chiskuru aseri kune chiskuru gete chininge sana tigaenda sago tuntusha mtotaete atara watantundu muteti tigaenda chiskuru chinde nchiro chitawat prince kama twamange gostoba igana tutwa prince pogo chatara turu mngao lakini kaliyo ento mutaite no komala
kulinde kulingana mo no assistant chief asireta Kevin Osero uyikirina saja igani gagendere ko bagako basemi abibuli abako babatwereru chingaki engani yiga egendere to koba gigosunsurwa
here go maintain peace na bana na bataire ba calm down because there is a link between mwanafunzi no mwalimu mwanafunzi na walimu wetara saba ibure baba bali bachorera se board ngo batake their time basa class kwanza tonyete problem ebe resolve egara na bana bana na masomo bono abalimu na twatamire abalimu twatamire bakwanira batega mangana amange such that abalimu baikaranse na board members na staff na community abagaka bali bachorera na community bakwanira about this problem egere nalia abana bagenda na masomo
Egingo ripoti rigetaseni kia wanjete kia katembe kurasi nseme chigache skuru ya St. John Nyakwirima Secondary School imeyebunga ya Borabu County ni ya Nyamira inchi konkuruko Polycarp Okara
Mwanzo mwalikiria kutikana na roboti yoro ensemo ya bamenyi kurwase bunge ya West Mugirango ime ye county yoyo ya Nyamira nigo bono obeso kire na kumumochia omo senator we county yo umoske Okongo omugeni nekiro bono banyarire goteba buna nigo omusike Okongo anchakire komoswana no mwakilishi bwabangina kurase county yo omusike omusubati Jerusha Mumanyi bagukwana kurwa ase chinsemo cha Family Bank iyo gotoka ime iyo moche o Nyamira nabo igokora chinsemo cha tente nigo bono banyare kuboria omusike Okongo anyare kumusika Jerusha nga ikiagera nigo musike Jerusha anyara goteba bene buna ereni gagotenda kosegeta kosekosira serikali korende eyo yarorekanire kolete tofauti no museneta ase county eyo
intuwa to mwanje to yo no mwana oitu naende nero gotenena
Tankumetia kero mongina twachora taboronge igaba kungu tokaimo kamambi tokamachora tokamobeka tokorere gasi naende bana basaje basoire komotukoria mwanafunzi onde ndi ataka gotia kyo mwanafunzi onde na gosembu yao kore kirasi ime gosira igokora buya mbora tiga tokanya mpaka 2027 tororenga ngo etabare bagende kirasi kende gosego bakoirora.
Seneta, tafadhali chunga kazi yako ya kuangalia Nyamira. Umesahau kazi yako, umeingilia mama ambaye anafanya kazi. Hiyo magunia ya pesa unaingia usiku unachukua, kesho yake atukuoni na pesa haijafanya maendeleo.
Enage chigusane kero mugaka kuruge sarate omanya gocha chikoni asabangina bakaro siendagera na no ago tumatuma bangina mogiwe. Abangina mogiwe. Omugaka swango ge sarate ali korega chekore taro. Igabani tongo tebaneke seneta korega chigwarangwa burukani gari nyalibo tukagechigu. Na ndo gwacha somongina. Tukagechiwa ntutake tutwara maskani ya koran kurigori chikura. Na ndo tukurigireti. E campaign yago go komunyokara libosa maruyoka. Na so boirwa obore. Ntutwana ko ngana horta ownership ma no bo nyamatuta amaigo komunyoka ayo to igwo to komunyoka ngamo samararenge igaje ta kandi bo boirwa yego chibuno tumugirange into nyigwete lakini ntwana ko igwa sore lakini yego to koroko to kumeti ngeri uko na korame byongoso bichorire ntutake to twara maskani to tato konye ngari bobe ngando kondo gatini tutoko chorete ande tutuko ko rusio ntutake to konye osikabara ibachorire bara ibachorire bonsi pi oskomongina
Manginosi na agatokari bunge twanyore sukari atokari twanyore tangi na ntokoreria ngagaje nyumba na kibona mogatagete seneta na yalitaka nitetora iraneria na nende yetoiraneria na goso kumbe osaba mabera na gwara metomongina abanyina banyamira county gwara mete
Mwanjo muligereria kubwatikana nebikorwa byoboibi na bwigoboseria komentekana ase chinsemo chia Santa egotoka imeyo wode ya Bugusero ime ya Kitutu Chache South nigo bono abamenye bechinsemo echo bagokere getambukiro kyo mojumbe o Kitutu Chache South omoske Anthony Ekivagendi kone kebuna banyare kubekerwa estima ekiro bagusanga ebirengerero byabo nigo obatebire ase amatuka mangaitire nigo babere bagutugwa magega kemagendero korende bono mpale nekyo bagwetogerea.
Kwa majina naitwa Filari Atieno, natoka Santa, kijiji ni Kisacho. Mheshimiwa wangu ni Anthony Kibageni. Nimepongezi vile ametufanyia. Tangu ni uje hapa, nimeolekwa hapa. Sijaona sitima, tuko kwa giza. Lakini raundi hii tumepata sitima. Nimempea pongezi tena, shukrani. Tena nimepea pongezi afanye kazi tano tena.
Nimefurahia na mheshimiwa kwa vile ametufanyia. Barabara ni swe ile batope ilisha. Sasa ila furahia nitaona hata TV. Nione vile naongea kwa bunge.
Ametuletea maji, watoto wamefurahia sana kwa shule, hata sisi wasasi. Tumefurahia sana. Hiyo ni
kama na yeye mpaka siku ile atasema amechoka. Kwa sababu pale ametutoa hakuna mwenye ametutoa. Minority wamechukiwa, wamedharauliwa, lakini yeye amesema there is people. Sendikipata yeye
Mwancho muligereria gukonera ama agenderero nigo bono abamenyi banyancho abo bagotumeka epara ya nyancho ekerore gocha chinsemo chia kia mabundu bono banyare kuburia abarai aba chinsemo echo abo bare omo MCA okisi Central Ward omoske Wilfred Monyenye na boigo omujumbe onyaribare chache muske Zaire Janda banyara kwenekia buna bakorire okubwaterana erio kubaroseria epare yo nekiro batebire epare yo nigo yabeire tari gweteka ase amatuka mange na boigo yanyare ko bage koleta obokongo bonene nganonye kere ange no mochi obusongo
abaminta samarieta ndeni sinkorokwa aiga nyancho no tomenyete nonka gosewa n'abantu baminta ninka bono etoko nganya korunyanchwa togende komenya sangase ngecho chipara chiasareke muna bono onyendiriye pare rengi yagaiga anga noe abantu baminto baraiga totaete kwanana noe nebibegi erinde erio tonyore noe negento tobeke noe nechirandi abantu bache bamenya se itogaiga bantu bakorereki bangire gocha komenya se ngecho chipara chikoreteki so togo sabaiga umweshimiwa onchoke epare ye korunya uno egoncho kaiga ikomo seyande kerore dikarabatiria abutogeta igoro abantu barenge gocha gokwa iga na abantu baito banyanchwa iga barenge gochi goikia amatabo so rero iga togosaba aseruga yo gwanja Zaire Janda Monyenye omuongo no mosmi wonchoke akibeka namo moicha mororenga kimoko tokonye pare yo goikamambie ndekoreki etoke kerosiri gosa
na robo menyi boito no tokurusikerege ento twakineria abana bona abasimigu baminto moteberera siasa motige na ndo tokoumia muna bono kiregese na matoke nyetu egete na sunyurugoeta bakitokonye Zaire Janda onchoke kebagendi omuongo aba MCA bakitoroserie para mumatenga kurmate nya uno gotira bakabosongo no amategemeo yeito bono muna kurmata nyanju abangine bagochikonyoru bachwa twakobere gesunde nkeli kororokana bangine baitiruga bakatwakoleira kwobo tokonye njerera be mutobekere nonye chitachiga ebiro chitaya egere twamuleke rugotira machamba singo toitale maga gitokonye
bono moison igoro egepare ya tegeteri karabati egari ari gwetana matafori ekagwa ekamba kumisa abantu boni gari karabati erigwete ndiyo pipare terigweteka abantu bantu bekeroro musasa kwenda kia moiro na kwenda kia mabundu abantu baite baumiete etogo sabo mweshimiwa Zaire Janda asore no mweshimiwa nchoka asore epache timo bwate ya emergency toma abantu baito bache bari bari ground bache barigererie pareye erinda abana inchi baroserwe para eservice erinde ikera abantu baito bia
inche narengega iga munegari erie kogwa baka nare goje gakini kachigosa bara momo gakabandira bakwene gajoji gakitokonya gakya basibugo basibese buabe tanga kibana tuwa kare korunyanjwa nyanjuri kara deria gweta pia bato baito barojo kubasibi gakitokonya sararaki abasibugo baito gakina marero tole gakinge kabane parte yo togweta gakibamtera
Mwancho murigereria oyore omoriki wekiama gia DPK Frederick Motio korwase ebunge ya Borabu me county ya Nyamira niko bono anyare kuboria abarai bonsi bali babwate byama byabo korwase orogongo rwagusi banyare westokia na bonsi konguseramo ase okomosira Dr. Fred Matiang'i na boigo niko anyare gukwanera buna okobekwa mo wekiombe kyo bochori nechimbebe kya IEBC nenchire yemo yo chakwanekia buna balia bonsi konyora babire bagutwara erango yo korige birogo ane mono nonye mbali bakomosira Dr. Fred Matiang'i banyare konyora libaga lia bene niko bono akwanire buna ase obochori obubwecho wadi sato ime county ya Nyamira obubara chokorekana ase wadi ya Nyamaya ekerenyo na boigo wadi ya Nyansiongo buna borachio ko twara libaga linene lyokorokia ose omoske Matiang'i na bwate chinguru aiga ase orogongo rwagusi
Mtesa Marieta Frederick Mutio Onchaba kwa niaba ya Democratic Party of Kenya and being the national organizing secretary ya Democratic Party na tumira na mlandu ya senka yomo na kata enka yomo na Katarina Yamato oyo vere oyo mawase abachumba abatanga na wete kwa nominated which is the National Assembly aso sira kwae kwa ghafla na inde tware usaba chairman high bishop erikaga so twaro nena ngokorari ngiri because ya started well na tebetenga kujakara mangana priority ntangani by election tumani tu ya sana Nyamira tuwati by election tuagora chakira torore tuige kinga tuisaine by election chirange angesa tukikia kimanyikanire nyamaiya Kerenyo na Siongo tochore kulingana no mwongozo muro itara tevi romi tomatian kaya nera toloje una toloje tobosi toa kechukura egere dande UDA tetogwa ona levo kwana buna ebyami byabusi birange bitatu bine etwaro go jamu. Okay, onye mbiko buno tiga tuja ke tutapoti musi onye mbiko kerege saku yo ikolikia no bambi yo koli to chamu egere onye no mo shimiwo ito Fred Matiang'i Okengo padre belimemia kagoteba na tebirega koligiare ekiroya president tomubwatisi na inde tomotomesiko akwane with the right-minded people abantu baito na babo Justin Muturi, who is my party leader, Kalonzo Musyoka Ole Waipa, babo Natembea, babo Eugene Wamalwa, babo Munyoro, babo Martha Karua bagambe so that by a consensus bato mwelekeo na ende naro usaba chikula chiwe ka 2027 njemuna mutio na ende naro usaba na abantu bamitwa babura mumbwati chikula
mwancho murigereria asensemeyo no tukorera ekionga chingaki ebiro bya bono mambe kose ekionga chinse 12 cha bono mambe korende ndo chinga etimu neraiga ere very strong bono banyarire gosangana inche ase ebiro biga na ziporera gotebanga good morning oyonzi poro mumanyi na agotebo oyo mumanyi kora chinse mocha nyanchonori na ziporoye leotanga ninsireti omwana omomrominto agotebanga nasiriti omwana omomromo abo engarenene sana pole sana omumanyi engarene gocha se kenyorekyo kia anyanchonori think utoke me county ya Nyamira leyo nengora enene sana na bali bonsi basiriti abancho babo asebiro bunebiga nigo otokubosabira munyara gotwara omorembe ase chingakichiga chobokendo naboigo nyasaye anyare kubagata naboigo omoigo bwabakinami nigagoteba koroja ngusu nere agoteba nga nere omoigwa bwabakinami na boigo mama watoto Faith tunde in agoteba nga wapi babo Salome Onyone Victor Mondo Lydia Nyaboke Esther Kerry Manase Onyimbo Fred Mosima Domi Mogire Toto Lakisi Linet Bobero Emmanuel Mwaga Amos Kamori Yobeshai Enengo Yobokima Onchiri Nyakweba Vincent Amisi Beatrice Erutei Jani Moreka itimwenene namono ntingonyara wasoma bonsi lakini nigondoche aswete na abantu wetani 50 iga nekiro akubolia nkai bare banyara gosoa eme yomurobero naboiko Edwin Omwenga ni gauta bakora Kiserian down present and watching live bia mono sana na Reels Junior Mukaya Ben nikagota banganya isa bogichora were represented with my wife Debra Mukesh mbia mono sana Nancy kwambuka gote bakorwa Nyamasibi ntore amo nande agote baniga otoma engora uchase inka eyu oyo nasti omukanoli bwa enibo koyo etugo koyera nyumba timetiko seneri yetugo koyera nyumba kuseneri yo mwana gotoka agaitire korende ni gondo chenansi kwambuka agote botumire ngora ayaye mbia mono sana na boigo Eric Osoro agote bokora keumbu ritaro agote banga bwakire buya sana Dan Kanombane Onchiri nigagote banga kora Otanji Igoma Nyamache bomogacho bobasi enjoying the program so much. Mbia mwana sana. Thank you so much. Na MJ Daktari Koranche ndo chingo mwancho murigera na rumwege no sana mbabwate bundles echi saine kagito korete giasara kyao wete mu director ne geiga agoteverie terie kiazala rero nari rigotumeka muno lakini rende ay Daktari MJ kakiko waso wancho kwa otokobekie biasara bya gaiga ebyo bya bundles bantu mbari batagete bundles cha free lakini onye kupatia biashara bunebyo naboko genda se page yao kwa bikaro tokoreta asibuna yega kwachaka utantani abantu kiro kende kwanyoranga mwangainire abantu bachigukuna bachigutuma chibesa kwanyoranga date chinjia na ndonye chiraroro nerebuya otumeke chinjira chire chindonge tari ase platform bune ya Getembe TV wacha kwafikira abantu bundles mwitu koranje ondo bose online ngonyarare kugura bundles ekero chibari meyo morobere igo konyara bare kugura korende tari asobobe na erende mbia mona sana asako baime yo morobere na wigo Victor Mondo mienda gote listening watching korochinse mocha Kilimani tuko pamoja hadi tamati mbia mwana sana na ndeni kakwira na kahote banga tunde in Christopher Atandi ahote watching live korochinse mocha Burangi Kenyambi no murgyo ya Lydia Kiribu habana mbabo Sheila Matiangi Moranga Mikae tado ahote mamu mabomongina na boigo tatu Moranga ahote babo igoba kai mother-in-law Mary Mikae na mashabiki bonsi ndani hadi tamati. Tengo bate moira negosole abantu muri banjite chinlo abantu muri banjite mako biara monta osagari Facebook o aligane mako biara gose tembeti serie tainde na kinda kebeke omwaligane asa umurobere lakini yaba toka nonyo kumunyora tori kumunyora gose naroro eno itari mangana nabo Adrian's mom agotabukoro chinse mucho roboti nyatieko nere Ruth Kemunto agotabanga wakire bia sana na Elimache alivyo nigagotabanga nere nigo are present kegima na Taida Classic agotabuna korwagen sembe atabona korogen sembe keroka niko ndani mbia mwana sana igo ase bonsi bari mogendete ko soime iyo murobele mbia muno ase chinga kechiga chabono mambe korende ase onye kubati ibori rinderi onsi manyeri tari aho chinse mo chiromba tekoro napo igo okobori kwa onkoro ki ase ritukeriga ose ase nyaboko nyara gutumeka enamba ya 0726447367 enamba ino ere ase kerore egie TV yao ose ekero korikeri ase chinseme chiga enamba ino ere naboko nyara korika ali ukori yao diri kose kubori konde wensi kori bwate gochega ase studio nande ninchi kosoma ujumbe chaino asinchira ere engikirano uke igima nas chinsemo cha WhatsApp naro ndo chinga mbararo bale meyo murobere korende nekirongo baporenga mwensi nyara kumanyerieta chinsemo chiri oyu okonyora eriogiriga akuru na boigo chibichechi erinde tunyara gusanga ase obwamo oyo bwate birthday na onko konyore ngari tukeriga rero na bukonyara kubeka gabo na boigo ase oli okoranga tuwetibuye na boranyore kire kende tokote ibina quick recovery kuruga igana riora bwana bwango anyway omoncho murigire asensemeyo nigo tokugenda omutimukomoke gose nigo ndachikogenda omutimukomoke korendekera tuchikoirana nere mienda sam tonyara kurigire ya chigazeti cheri tukeriga aria rero nche Matilda kenda gutigara imeyo morobero kwitwane ya Getembe.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bagokora emirimo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania nabo igo chogotebereria kende gionsi uraganie bagotebereria company ya Mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingencho ao ayuare ye chikala ao nabo igo ayubo igabwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated nabo igo box corrugated asime igo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows nabo igo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko nabo igo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue nabo igo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukeyega ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumu chuyigo musongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Umugusi igwa amagulini gakirwa moroka ase eduka ya Shah Ceramics igulire deformed bars TMT steel ordinary nails square tubes round furniture tubes black pipes black sheets round bars wire mesh igati bintu binde evinge tubasi namagulire nega ansekigima asekire yuka ya Shah Ceramics tutari rero iriwenyorere estoke ye itaraera nigo tukutuka sinsamujiri cha Kanson eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide iri kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure e company nambe yemo iyo korose chirangi meyense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati gwekari guri iriya bantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganie wochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutari rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumu chuyigo musongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Mugusi bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja TV ya Wanje Agatembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimero ya Agatembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri miyensi ya Kenya, ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, wikanonya Zambia. Egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas samo no guchingira ku mwaka muya iriwego kinemero yetu aho inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Agatembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Agatembe Television Network ekeonga kia Mugusi. Subscribe ase channel ya Agatembe TV rero iliwi manyibuna mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Agatembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Agatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyoranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Agatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video cheto boigo share na basani amune amate ejo baigokie bemanye na wesemia tobase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere edio onyariko bagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Agatembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeonga kia Mugusi.
Boy Juakali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia echisovaset ebirugo byechisovaset bagomba bwate chikapet chisanduki cy'abana bagucira eskuru na boygo echo kubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo ao kurwa eri abana bagucira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chiviber chokoroseria ebirugo na boygo chips chokoros chipillowcase echo ogorarira.
Gagi omwana yo boy tikanda ndango ichibesa ntabwate muko lakini naikire taracha seito nanyorire mwapo ichi wakali hai bone chibesa kwenda mpulingi go pulingi emeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru emeito yo konyora bana chisare kwa razangu ra duniani kaki horoje paka nabwate paka ebintombire bakoro kwa chiferi veti chikorozi ebirogo Biechigari. Hai! Kaki apa kusiba sepinga imore. Kaki imore. Hai! Inchu kaki mwezi tabatari. Ninchu gocha moye binto korugamu apo ichi wakali. Hili! Omuganga chemisi onkoroko. Kaki.
Mbabwate chitandarua chokorosia ebirugo biechigari na boigo ebirugo bya leather. Gusechi sofa set cha leather. Gwetani abo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet. Echo oranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi origeti korosia. Nebintu nebyo. Mbabwate cha ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonya nechitandarua chokorosia chihema mbabwate kaibagotoka nigo bagotoka ange ne hotel ya Kisi Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Oru Superstores barabari na Kisi Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kende gyonsi bakire ase enamba 0720688220 Boy Juakali Center inkyukanyete utaragura ebintu bya kurworo
Njempo Juakali Store na bariga ni mwesto kole biashara sobwamo ingotoka opposite Kisi Hotel na bariga ni mwesto
Gagi genda mwapoi gagi nyasaye baba boli Juakali gagi egotoka alinsa alitara chambiri gagi ligere libudango kuanete omusio mubihili gagi nariri goli kwanza alense ebintu nago lile gagi Boy Juakali hili gagi hili ngogongonya musio mubihili kulite bintu mlimamba
nigo bakwigura amatukonsi kuri nderi tukuri sabato tibari kwigura
ine kwabaire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia enibo enyinge bono tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya World Fit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yo
ikinyuru kinyumo inyangi gusuko kwa kuyomino imijiga ao buna bono housewarming parties engagement parties igatie vinde vige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayiga ashirigo lidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwiye masege munaba manyibaita bobare no bamanyibiguro nigetibye tibwate signal ere enkongo iyigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp gushigu yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726
Yo bombo lyo mwanone kiririjane
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'omugusi negukinya omugusi ase enengo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase chinsemo buno savings loans obosemye bugutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere ogosira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire basibali ensemo ya pension boygo abonchereria ibotani na Wakenya pamoja sako iyo nyore obukureri ubuya ase chinsemo buna obosemigoro y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon buna development loans school fees loans emergency loans ebyumbe business loans salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygon korantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo wa Kenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kelie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik seba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga, CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chora Wakenya Pamoja Sako kune financial institution yao tobwate chibranchi chito ikomina chire within usi wanaintu torono konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosebwa ase sake ese bali batara join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yeito na gusi yeito esa magendo Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achebwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate etime tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia aye chigage emerongibire babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayogo chana Roman Jinko nabo igo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue nabo igo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asobwango edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumu chuyigo musongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Umugusi igwa amagulini gakirwa moroka ase eduka ya Shah Ceramics igulire deformed bars TMT steel, ordinary nails, square tubes, round furniture tubes, black pipes, black sheets, round bars, wire mesh igati bintu binde evinge tubasi namagulire nega ansekigima asekire yuka ya Shah Ceramics tutari rero ijiwe nyolere estoke ye itaraera nigo tukutoka sinsa mchiri chaka eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kuba tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biriya bikomenya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyigo chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boyigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu boyigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutari rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumu chuyigo musongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya uwanje Tiaga Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimirulu ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri miyensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas ama no chingira ku mwaka muya ili wegoki nimirulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia Mwamogusi. subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanye buna mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo tugukora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito boigo shana basani amune amate ejo baigokie baimanye na wesemia tubase kwiba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyari kobagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Boy Juakali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia echisovaset ebirogo byechisovaset begomba bwate chikapet chisanduki chamanna baguchira eskuru na boigo echokubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo ao kurwa elia manna baguchira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chiviber chokoroseria ebirogo na boigo chips chokoros chipillowcase echo ogorarira.
Gagi. Omwana yo boy tikanda ndango ichibesa ntabwate muko lakini naikire taracha seito nanyorire mwapo ichi wakali hai bone chibesa kwenda mpulingi go pulingi emeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru emeito yo konyora bana chisare kwara zangu ra duniani kaki horoje paka nabwate paka ebinto mbire bakoro kwa chiferi veti chikorozi ebirogo biechigari hai kaki apa kusiba sipinga imore kaki imore hai inchu kaki mwenzi tabatari ninchu gocha moye binto koruga mwapo ichi wakali hili omuganga James Yongoroko kaki
mbabwate chitandarua chokorosia ebirugo biechigari na boigo ebirugo bya leather gusechi sofa set cha leather gwetania abo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet echo oranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi origeti korosia nebintu nebyo mbabwate cha ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonyane chitandarua chokorosia chihema mbabwate kaibagotoka nigo bagotoka ange ne hotel ya Kisi Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Oru Superstores barabari na Kisi Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kende gyonsi bakire ase enamba 0720688220 Boy Juakali Center inkyukanyete utaragura ebintu bya okuruoro
Njempo Juakali Store na bariga ni mwesto kole biashara sobwamo ingotoka opposite Kisi Hotel na bariga ni mwesto
Gagi. Genda mwapoi gagi nyasaye baba boli Juakali. Gagi. Egotoka alinsa alitara chambiri. Gagi, ligere libudango kuanete. Omusio mubihili. Gagi, nariri gori kwa alense. Ebinto nago lire gagi. Bui Juakali. Hai! Hili. Gagi. Hili. Hey, ngokongkonya. Musimo bihini. Kuri tibintu mlimamba.
nigo bakwigura amatukonsi kuri nderi tukuri sabato tibari kwigura
Signal ere enkongo iyegwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikiriwe nabukulika jumbenge wigogwitira semeria WhatsApp gosiku yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726
Yokomboli umwanone kiririkyane Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzitosomya bamuraba chikuya mandegere uzitosomya bamuraba chikuya mandegere
no mwanzo murigerea asense moyende yo murobirega gutwane yagetembe asebirega byo no mambi tore nere mienda sam na boigo Erika Buga kero turachiko murikira chigazeti chiri tukuriana na boigo usanga naye egati yari agenda twatakana muno narari ase ikionga na boigo tunyare gusanga asinjire yo bamuchise mu cha Facebook na boigo YouTube asebirega mienda na Abuga wakire
wakire bya sana
twane sinzerenge bantu kubwa
jiri chikubuga mugaso nande in the morning I think was saa 9 chikubuga saa 9 hapo
ngwaje wika saa 5 hapo tukoiwe twane kubwa
na kaigure timathi gose ne myth se no mining yabuga chinse chinga yakonye I don't know.
There on the what age was an improved was in like Okonyariko one and Sasta Chabuto.
There is a son. No one on Gen Z, Nigeria. So, no, then Nigeria in the very digital. By the everything is becoming digital. We can have improved Chingoko. Then it means anything is possible. So, no one Enjira improved, Enjiriko the normal procedure yokubuga na bekubuga any time because at least near improved. You know, when anything is improved you find out thing ikakuwa different kuruwe kende so no kienyeji na improved so na bora nyore including no kubuga nkore improved
chire chijiemu
bueno kere integrate improved anyway
abuga chinga ki chinsa kwe bure chi chionko sa pieto ani abugire chire awate amwa
But is it like that?
I've never put that and they might think about it. But then there is a belief to take over Mambi.
Na bokonyora umuntu otegerete twani yamakuba osensa atatu chabu tukubona kwebori na isiko yatigetu lakini twani bekire nyombere gesumwe kubwa ono anyway ayu obuno botonge bwanya sainto manyitinga ningi kyabira mutukaya uno miendate ono buranya ole kiro kende echi abe kirugo se chiri chikolera runyomba njiri kumanya muga
By the improved yoko nyoranga
chikolera restima
chimanyata nyomba to a point in chimaiti inkikega ndrete and the way nago tabi anything improved as geko change the standards igawana bora nyorenga actually improved including their voice the voice yabo se eliyogiri yabo bona totaberende
voice ne amwanya bantu lakini tari mangana amienda tena nyoro monto ndo tete gonsaga na mono mambi ukomole ngandi na nyoteri ogori ebianda
yeah, that one is important. By the way, deworming is good. It was a good advice. The good thing in Aiwa.
Lakini bone shida nelinga enchira mboli. Omuntu igo muntu nkarenga bante kondi.
Yeah, deworming I think is done after 3 months. I think it's done after 3 months. Because depending on the type of medicine watumia, unabona maite ndiro rile multi-purpose unankora igwiriria Maasai bakora eti so it might think after how long umuntu went konyi lakini chi ntetere nchiro chiri bakwena nagana mbosonga kero gwetanko igure bago advertise I think it is done after 3 months chide chiro after 6 months so it depends on which type of medicine what me but rende the advice was
nko kwarenge nko endera kwarenge dose after every 3 months
bantu teri
ekero nginete eriogore bianda unless urwara oyo nyathana rio rachiko
ngo
school
actually ngo etibarengeje school none chinyagite none chikanisa
school tiare go after every 3 months
none chikanisa ngo etibara onyoro muntu agweti lakini rende it's your responsibility you as a human being orenga no bwana take of which is good by the way deworming is good kwa sababu ngo improve your health and it is something very good. So you thought deworm, please make sure you also subscribe to that. Egere naliyo mangana akawabi.
Mavug.
But the Benjamin is not good pork. Pork can stay in the wood for a long time.
Yeah, by the way, yeah.
Pork is a very nice. I know pork might be very very nice. But come on, can't be beyond. That's what I have beyond done. So you pork here also you are linking. So you want no, no. Into what thing want to go the one of the 3 months. And I'm sure the last time Matilda vomiting could be around 2 years ago.
Nagora nya the last time bad vomiting kerarenge primary. Yeah.
You take some few fruits when you juice big or cerebral nyomba ora aba mambe okole bi ora ndole byande bino ndijanda kuliyeta kino kaidinga nenda kana mimbo bwate kikwanya ne byanda ndebirende kyatunda yatokole bona yatauni ngaiga tiringi na no teri ndaga tiringi so mbi odiwom tanaza korera mnenda ngokurumira but the pain yenda na extend pakase edek when you water constant headache, then I think it's time. Then it's about the everybody go work. I come on to Rangan. I end the cookie. I want to get in the name to what more. I can even acquire an interview. So I would warm. You are warming by day.
Yes.
54. Because it's a singing people with a cheer by 100 there. High class 350. Every warming work also.
Bebona sana mwanchumurire nimbwate ribori riko siribori riko chasore na umuntu nkarenga bantu kunyeriogo riogoitevianda gose ayen ndiriri omwerio watumigite eriogeriga riogoitevianda eyo ne challenge ndotenga bataka gonsaga na bono mambi korene no kubanyorenga no nyenche ngoradi wo minde timetinga ayo mwanchumurire ndiriri wadi wo metio omwerio ndiriri kwa chito kanyora entetere evianda gose watigirita abana bae wasichi school gose torkwera no ya abana bao benyorere amarioga ego no kunyara usange kerengere kyao chisomo cha Facebook wetera se namba ito ye studio nabo elinde tinyara guska amo asinchira ere eyo wamo kima lakini rende no kubanyore nga no nyenche koradi wo mundi no nyetini kwenda after asemiti yenye tanto ngora atemandi ekero ngo inyora ekero ngo inyora ngora Mirande Riogerio.
By the way, I think I did it the last 2 months. I think, but now I 3 years 6 months after 6 months. Go 2 months. 4 months ago, but I still have 4 months to go.
Kemo takoboli. Nkera one woman. And I uncle say one.
No,
okay, before that woman last the one woman did your mind.
I have taken time. Actually, it's circumstances that found me.
Last. Amote yamane. Last year neli na amote na kiti angende warm. And I think my sister ana ujo ko radio ko kapate. Oh, bede nenche na nya wodi warm. But ko abung sakorengere level ya. Ana ere myake menge sana.
Nje na duo out of circumstances chiagere to mondo tu anya ta kantenga lioge na buli ko konyo. I took it. So it means ngonya tali omuntu you. Thank you so much. Konango still. Nonde I could have taken years by the way. Now I have more than 5 or whatever. Corona duometi. It's long, but it's good. It's advisable abantu.
So abuke nga kikyo umuntu abante kwa mwanga bono tikagenda ngenye wariri ogere.
Mente, ocho kubwate na matipata nga 3 months. 3 months matari ko tari market tari market. Like warming tries on work. Ndo muntu what the is nga da kontinga. When I would warm. Then hata ni uko chindaga tuko nowadays njiringi ya mono. Because I get even no chafu. Ndo nepira abikimo. Same kizo ataranga kone kusenyera saya kongeri kuba. Why can't you do the same thing atanga kihaya? Na jeje machinge pakechi ngure. Ngangore ke. Yes. Dependere mo utengu.
Iko no te yabantu nga nchengoli ndembeche.
Embeche. Yeah, embeche na rengurwe. Embeche ase kimusiki.
Metinkia bagusi baide. One kama tena one wanda kwa nyengo wengi wetangi nguri. Ngini keole abaneria baide. Ngure kwa lumo. Ni ambalo bagora secret. But then nguruwe ne birenge because more than fresh meat na nyol. Because ante ba wanya mai chimbole.
No incharo nte bie birenge abongo minyoka.
Enga kinere maite there's a time when mangana chibunda arenge timatinga maybe na abantu bararengera lianda ke never know nga nebundo kuri gosinege ntokete you see there's a time nga kete biashara biebunda bia no gete sana. Yani umuntu akakole nyama ekoni gune yengombe. Lakini I think abuga the pork looks so unique in a way. Na boko endora nga yae ni nguruwe maybe. And like maybe karobwate steak ye bunda na boko wanga yae kuno kugurukwe ngombe. Lakini all in all kero muntu na bwate test yae. Ona buna inje kero kwa na pork. I've never taken that.
Kogo tema totiga.
Igonje tema.
Pork Poko mnogo tema kori nyame yo.
Ere nganso.
Torigotiga.
The only thing I've taken by
the boko ya waboa sengencho ya maybe smell lakini nyoro monto ko ero subia. To arashira.
Tiendo yo kana temre nengami. Nero nengie kurkunga nyir. Engia sana. Yo mocho motema much as you advising minche tema pok. Na yana boko ra tema ngami. Nero nengia sana.
Ndio watende kuri poka. Data mogatse ke ndande dinge kuma kwanne tekole engwe kwataka kwembeche manje mtsanzo so ba ke muntu akamange mbeche and they also do sana ke muntu also muntu no you don't pretend thing mbeche kwa tameno kete amabe baje buku hata bosa buku hata ke the book of Leviticus 11:7-8 and Deuteronomy 14:8 hata state and the pigs are not eaten because they were the oops cloven oops.
Evitago vibuata ine.
Including even ngami, you know. The wenere the biblical.
And you chukada. Yeah. Kuna minzinga watu chikono chavo ka. Amboto digestive. Ke komera tu. Eso que kare enguru ya de kiro munu ko chavo. Si ko ya kogenda. Koza tu atende utakuna de komera. Toda tanga no eu me mwana bati bana de komera. Ndiki mwana ngani. Ke umere gento na de komera yuko. Yani descargue con el que no yo de takuna. Si que monto takuna, ya bogo si de quería que no dulce. De que entre aquí one nguru na nada tenga matro de chocolate sin chocolate chafu así. No podía una niña que así. Materialmente na que terimo. So na tigete.
But that's why kwamo advice kwa ruentanga nga muntu especially ukori pork nyinge na ero kwa nyoro bwato machana we byanda. But you see the reason as to why bwate
Lakini gende kitanga ni umete mwanja kapuna bali mwampi mire mwarore mbate.
No, you need this this is advice.
Ebi anda kiro muntu na wa.
Differs. But the one who is Mondolia Golia Pokemon seems to.
Agree pork na 3 months ago.
Ahora nyona 3. Ahora nyona erenda bakabono. Aroni lo na mangana. Sure.
Kale wakana monto kon pocket the market. But ande ba ko ni monta kanyo on. Kale ko de menjere ku we. Labo mtaka kile silo mutu. Ya bugali mo na kwera. Ndima tinganya na koko. Tinganya na.
Tumbara wa.
Sikanya kinga na wala. Sikuzi na tinganya kinga tingo.
Mienda. Ito anienyo yenyu kororo no betole.
Njenkolinde, although nancha have a problem, I seem to have the problem with Abuga. Nancha nindo mwaba konya na jarende. I think is it having a lot of masses? Say timaiti abantu bale bakora manyinga iga kidogo tuwarengereria nchiragete. Lakini nina wonkoli because I think yakone mbiye once, especially to aningi yeye. Mbiye goche.
I don't know why almost bati umuntu naroro yungo bwati. Abwati shida sana. Litukorio kwa nyenye ngoko. Ale kolera litukorige manane arabise no nyeme yo mabasoko ngoko. Ndio so ni gore mirengo yenyenyare. Anyway, kero tukoriga ya gazeti cheri tukoria lero. Abuna bono gazeti ya The Standard. Tingana limwamu egotebanga lingana linene egoteba cornered by public egukwanira antubwate oyo tenenerete ikiombe egia kokorobu tukiga sense akenya ikiombe egia DCI Mohammed ekirok egotebona a flood of disapproval from an increasingly frustrated citizenry yesterday pushed the struggling DCI the struggling Director of Public Prosecutions to drop the far-fetched terrorism charge against right activist Boniface Mwangi okwanira Boniface Mwangi nekirabono ndochenga abakenya abange nigo bayimokirira igoro nagoteba buna abangana yo agotebwa buna kirokende nigo abwateraniri nobo kibago amangana yo nyare gotugutirware nekirabono bakoboria oyo tenerete ekyombekega ukosoyoromo Director of Public Prosecutions anyare kwane kibuna otugutere nyare gutuguterare engane yumugano yora page yakane naboigo ya gatano nkagirete nga engane yiga ya Boniface Mwangi yachire ale monokege masa ekero egotavanga activist Mwangi freed terror charges dropped
umaite the DCI, the IPOA, the IG nebyombe biri bitenete amangana yoborendi including the CS for the last I think 2 months babere a talk of town asenge nchunga kubwatekana na amangana yokurobekana ogochererwa kera ritukombaga ndeta kwanga kurigererwa asenge nchunga at some point some Kenyans tugutiro kwegena gochiasa bare weterase bikoro biri bikonyana kwa bigo korekana sensiete ya Kenya. The reason of course ne ya Boniface Mwangi bunatuma maete ne activists and abachi gusaba waneribo bwana bwamanya bantu okonyoranga kirochi event chikoba especially buna okorobekana osenege ntugete kyaba okonyoranga no bare front runners oseno no bare bosio bono some of the judges Boniface Mwangi watenkelinga igare part of the people who orchestrated gusaba banya tko bakoroberia amangana yo korobekana akorekanete. That's why maybe they are judging him gweteranga na akoreta amangana, but you find out these are abantu batokorokanga abarwaniribo bwana bwamanya abantu. You expect them konyora egento tokorokanga support kurwasa abananchi naande kerewo gento buneke konyorekana wakonyoranga abananchi gabakoba side yomurwaniriri yoyo baba against. That's why you are seeing the DCI pabuato muchando gabu but sema yoborendi ense ya Kenya from the president oche MCS oche DCI oche IPOA oche the IG batugutre trust yabanto bense ya Kenya kwetera ase bikoro bibyanyara ko biko korekana asense ya Kenya ya Albert Ojwang. There is another guy yoyo akune research Kerara Konichi Mask, Boniface Kariuki. Yes. So it tells you the Kenyans have lost trust, which just say ebion baby gabutenito and sema yoborendia sensitive ya Kenya.
Buga, government eats ambo pie after absurd charges against Mwangi collapse.
I know. Like it. Also, another judge sheet here. Boniface Mwangi over the weekend. But there was a story in there. The media sets an agenda. another information that one of the videos in that is called yesterday. It's called Wikipedia. I don't know what we have to tell the video. Not a judge tendons, but they were preferred to the chapters. It's a story. One Saturday, who had prepared the judge sheet during the weekend. And the reason because someone they about Kenyans using trust as
yes.
No, unless otherwise, kwa nyolda monta kwa serete. Offers this year current investigation. You are telling Kenyans using trust. I feel in Baden area, nearly 80% of Kenyans still go to, even 90% of Kenyans. At one point, people was really have to put their case to other. That tells me out of 10, maybe I was 10 were in this country, maybe 1 or 2 are drug officers. So nothing happens from them. There's nothing happens in this country. Creating politics. It happens from the news like that, and it don't happen here. Someone somewhere must have started. I can say, get a street Boniface money this way. Let's do this idea this way. Right? So there's nothing that happened. The thing that happened from the one morning at the idea there was going back with the BC it's something here at the plan, going in a different way. But you see now, the way the government operates, there is information they want to make before Boniface Mwangi. You know, someone tells you what Mtonya Mchembe is Kisatu, you say Boniface Mwangi. This is someone who has been an activist for a long time, close to 15 years. What the government has been saying in Eringa, there are people funding demonstrations from outside. In the story I got from the newspapers and even other media outlets, there is a company. The government, the media people said, "Mbanyo the Chilapa stamp, na documents the company get." No, people will be asking, like the government will be asking, company get the Kiakora because there was an office. Company get the Kiakora. What has this company been doing before? That's why now you come to realizing what happened was among an idea in a commoner, I've judged with terrorism. It's an idea let's go and sack of the CIA to pick information to attack it. From that information, to people to know maybe Boniface Mwangi tourism media company, the company registered to find the company. Because idea is nobody goes to demonstrations, because using his pocket money. The money must have come from somewhere.
Okay. Yes, ase page ya kabere kwera iguru yugo ito kumuriro yomo imeinye gitari ya Kenyatta National Hospital ota murder in Ward 7B Mysterious Kalumbo Tole and KNH Horror. For 3 years, a man with no ID, no relatives, and no known history lived inside Kenya's largest referral hospital. Mienda. Umuntu akogenda umuriro akogenda nyagitari kwa jorongo itiru aroro. Ndiro toka ngase miaka 3 umuntu naro umenyete nyagitari ya Kenyatta National Hospital. Otanya kurwaro. Otamanyiri no nyenga kiaso etaro.
Ibi korobone binko abire and okonyoranga kiromonto maybe keragento bune gekoba agenda yo monto nero anda ke sababu nero maite everything comes with that interest. We ko tuare kerenganga ya yali yori rero ndete ku eliminate miyenda esenginje keneke abantu manya ko sababu maybe omonto ako tempt ko se ako tema ko witoyo mwabo. I remember Abuga we did a story gaiga yomo ngwana getaria onyarte koba it was an attempted one. Lakini rende intani orengo akanyara koba koba fair enough akatabanga yaya enchiranere mangana tarbiya gaiga. Such cases happen, especially una soro kongurwa kusi the issue of mangana ya mwalimu agerera abantu baitiru umuntu akona nyagitari umuntu ba plan on how to do puna bagokora egero bamuikera yabanga ne occasion anya gitari arenge bono na nyagoku at least rekoreta maswali mangi gochase maybe ngaki gosesa sababu yagero umuntu yose mabwabo. But having those issues, I think the level of humanity at least yakere in a way to a point like nero goito muntu kwa beire something very easy by the
Getari
way.
kogosa abantu.
Getari kogosa abantu kogenda mpaka nyagitari gotaka goita omonto korwa na beko bega sienkong ebinto bine byabere kwamanya kungo omonto iru paka small amount of money ngachi korwa sibo mabu omonto of which is wrong and chinyagitari should increase enchira bakoperate especially when abantu bali bagochikora baroire bali bali nyagitari tiyebenga n'abantu bari so close in a way that yani babekaga policy gete kako limit y'abantu neno muntu kararwarite batari konya kumurovyo ovyo onye cases unechiga chiyo gutaka goito muntu na karari nyagitari chikonyara kuba chikoinkiriza nanda matildo maitense ito ya Kenya you find out singa wikige nto happen kyamanya kolete alert tumanya kubeke policy ngabona ego chikowega naiga igere gozuya ebintu bine biga egento bine keiga kibonte koligereru ase oboteneri bw'echinyagitari egerenga cases bune chinyara kwa chiko kyana abantu bakorra maybe nena barwere bari barwarite bis closed kins ose nondo bwensi muntu ndo bwensi nabakuruga bakuruga itata banga mazi ndata korra sam as long as yegunganya gitari yare igonge policy ne bwente ko changewa enchera nonye n'abantu bagochikorra barwere nyagitari egera ko kyanya ibi cases nebi
Abuga abantu bawitura sichi ward abarwaire.
So I normally go to get a register or something. You find as a patient now, it's a secluded place, telling an as an open. But they take chain fence guy and the entrance only one. That for you to access that place, either I know Moid or indicated as a register now next of kin, so. Now, I don't know at what point we access the man. Never story young or ya madam, that meaning again don't that was not the way you go to. For me, I believe that yes. But now, Chicoito Mondo, the killing can be sleeping as a bigotti. You see now, it would have placed the questioning and taking Montang entered. Well, in Nasses Van Valing, but in charge of that facility varying. That tells you now and that one can much of work. Because there's no way Montang to access your ordinary and there's a way to access the from the main gate back the ward.
About Yangasimia Kito to Avera Menya Kako Toka Signatari Yakenet.
Yes, so the question could be Monton never mind. Because mental cases. Montover in Italian Yankee hospital. I go to a big question. Mentality into limelight King Kiao comes from Italian Pakistan. Because one point, I'm going to tell you, which patient very you feel that smell in your it affects your mind in a key. As you work with the hospital, it's called the guitar, Quanyo theater, Montavinamagoro, Ego Sumbua. Just within a span of 20 minutes. So Montavera for 3 months or 3 years. You can imagine minding a caring about it. So no was a key as they investigate the issue. But you see, at that point, the could have done it. So he has come to his senses. I police him, back 3 days. Once they go in conscious, so you can still stand trial Madanga, Michael and take it. But now this puts to question the level of preparedness from the government, senior environmental issues, and keep it within 2 months, within 3 months of when we check. I can't have one than neighboring.
Breastfeeding rate stagnates, putting infants in harm's way. Health experts warn that the stagnation is a major contribution to the country's high child mortality rates. Eukwanira ao kogongiwa kwa wana abaki gusabane bingwerere na basubati abange aiga sinsi ya Kenya bungarero tubari kogongia abana kiro babanyorire abana niko bakugorerwa amabere abandi ngakiro kende singenjo yemeromo bagukora tubari konyorangaki chokogongi abana miti na boigo egotabanga at a glance 500,000 babies are exclusively breastfed in Kenya annually. Abana wetania enusu milioni nko nkiwa pare asikira umwaka igense ya Kenya, lakini ikorogenga 61% kirengo ke 50 nomo neyemo igoro yemia nigo bako gonkiwa korindia ahubande tibari konyore iyo itabwenereti kiagira korengana nense ngima nigo at least sekera ense nigevanta konekia kuna 70% abana bonse bakwibura ekirango kia 50 bere igoro yemia niko babwenete kogonkiwa na ngina abaiburi kuri mienda sam tibetinga no bote kerengere igoro abasubati abange bari kogonkia abana samakia.
Number one, I think abasubati ba konyora abana bonoiga. You remember the statistics we did? Echire it was 2020 to 24 book. 2024 no bara bange. Igonta yako tumeka statistics chabo. Bikolengera lianda kengi gekogera. Number one, abana bare you could tell abana bare in colleges and TVETs, polytechnics. Okonyoranga andake gento gekogera batariko nyora libagario ko breastfeed use kogongia na bora nyorenga umwana akanyora umwana and kara masomo bone ya biddinga goikagendera na masomo to a point like maybe goikatigira mama mwabo mwana and egera agendera na masomo could it be na vera be sababu number one sababu number 2 ndarengereri ngikekogera maybe bible batariko gongia abana okonyoranga andake they are very busy squeeze maete normally kare according to togo soma musubati was ideally aberenka anyora abana arenda abana that was the point yomuntu musubati. But we are at a generation that our subati they are learned ngoenda bari school basoma rero iga krom abasubati ngokora bare gasi because they say what a man can do a woman can do better. Rero ndubwata abasubati bare abarai ndubwata abasubati bare chi mechanic na roya monkoro koro chipikipiki. So the kind of life iyagarira abantu bachikorigerie kwerigeria ngere yabo nkogerera ndakotigo mwana ujuiga agochikorigeria tako mogonkia esababu yene ndamba sikorengereri apart from that na kwanera masomo nemeremo kima tinge ndageranda kenegere umuntu tatwara mabere. It is very possible kwa sababu narorera abantu gete ba complaining atabwati mabere so ya bidding umuntu aje kuri supplementary. I don't know is the kind of lifestyle, the type of food tu alire abantu batari go subscribe uchicinda gere chiko ba mabere nara yagerera mabere ndake yake
kuri chinsaga chinsaga managute eskuma sobonge
nabeko ba health issue you ya ragero umuntu andake umuntu tagonge lakini possibly we have a lot of young mothers. Actually, when you compare young mothers, according to the research done, you will see we have a lot of young mothers. Korwe miaka 20 to 24, abana bake na endo konyoranga baada habne school bare, especially to colleges and universities and even TVETs, including bari 15, bari range 11 to 15, bari naande tu aligereti. Na wakora nyorenga akara high school, wano mwana oranga. Tigati kere mamu mwabo mwana agende achikokora masomo na those are some of the reasons ndarengereria ndake chikogera bantu batariko gonkia bana according to me. Yes.
Yo muy buri akwane. Yo muy buri akwane.
My first child I breastfed for almost 1 year and 8 months. I was what some again somehow kwane yabanga the young mothers now they go breastfeed. Actually, they study these are different figures. They're saying 3 out of 10 of Batariko, and the majority of these people are working class. They are talking about almost 23% of the working class. They go breastfeeding around. But what is me most in getting I'm begging that to go keen because they're talking about 2022. I'm begging 22%. One got 2025, 34%, and almost you can say almost half. Of the moms in Baligo feed, breastfeed, so what they are doing, I think I'm going to see, but you know, kama mavere, lakini kumita mavere, which is true by me. No, I met my, let me say that as a fact. I met my clinical assistant. And I know once a few months ago. And the situation was never very good supermarket. And I think in the next 3 months, because I'm not going to gas. So the other thing immediately, and so I am aware that Navaco, Mitamavera, which is Onyagata. Some of them are prepared for the coming after 3 months period. So the Karalega assume one according to the cake. I was preaching. I don't wish that my child had grown that process, but then go to turn into a lot of things. But the Ministry of Education, Ministry of Health, Public Health, they go guide that one, the employers provide an avenue for the young moms who breastfeed. That there's a workplace at the workplace, there's a room that can be provided. Actually, I like what Kisii University was doing. There's the women staff for Kisii University. They are doing I think a contribution a safe place you have a smart Kovongi when they are at the workplace at the Kisii University. You know they are a good number. But now they have extended that instant which has a phone. Now being the university, you're above 15 years ago.
On the way in about
now then incorporating our phones by Kabata maybe you watch class, what to go on as a safe place on all in nine. One move from one class to another, going one way and instead you go to
kuenda kuchika usiku mitama very command.
You see now for a young mom or class, it's added your children zagole chibili kwa chama vera to fridge kwa cha kwa chama vera freezing. So I think from the Ministry of Education, a good percentage ya bantu na bakonya kama bali bako konga from the bottom na banyo rabwate mchando yo mobe.
Ndoche buno burire bwa pneumonia na boigo diarrhea na buchibwa chasi chini uboni mono nga ndoche eyige gotebanga initiating of breastfeeding within the first hour can save up to 33% of newborns. Nga inseri ntangane umwana iboiro na bonte kogonki kwa isa kogonki na botangwa kula samarire.
You see, even from that study, they're saying that in 2022, 18% and by below 5 years, about standard growth.
Tarigo kinda.
Then I was a kind of room one year cancer coming up. I think we need by 1 year, 8 months. I go standard growth in error. You're saying that 5% were wasted.
Wasted 5%.
And the 3% are overweight. We are talking about 43% of adolescents. They went through that number of percent that 43% of adolescents in 2022 so it's a challenge.
Umegwato bore kerugete.
Lakini exam mzee ki kaanyoro mwana Ndime nikira kan mukaga mogongi kakema. Yera aba murabande mutaite na barabanya wala sha aba so rusbati aba.
By the way,
Tutaketaka mukaga ngengani.
Actually, abuga wakwande kento kete nande kwanginyo iri post ne na roche in that umo subati yaro kwa gunga ataketa advice. Okay, na kiro social media, much as in social media, anything can come up. Lakini ako tebanga umugako nere ngongiare no mugako akobuli mugako bono ngo kamera gose ngo mbwene tena kamera na kwa tigiro mwana ogonga kamotenga yanta ketenya nyora fresh unare. I don't know whether these things really happen that abantu mbare bagasacha mbare gose basaye whatever na barabata ite ko breastfeed njeti maiti lakini ndendeli swali yabuga mbori I could have wished umwana one I follow the right procedure such that we avoid those complications when started growth in event binde at least umwana agro karibia karo muntu very normal because the complications nachiro chinjiro chigocha karo muntu atari kogonga bia sababu amabera ali na wate meaning ya especially at the early stage esenye nchongo konya ro mwana no any immunity ya develop so I could have wished umwana ona atu immunity ngi yakine karibia have a strong inga keyo kegoika yoboibori.
So someone to prepare mapema. There's a group care in Gatland sometime last year. This last year. Mugaba nayo kubanze me region ya South Nyanza region. Matanga lingaseketiga. Mama baga attend. Kakwana katanga mwana senje no mugaba na ngere. Bakugaide community bintu ke. Adenga basata molega iga. Ko kyani breast cancer. Mwa bakorente ke.
Omugonga.
I think matipo chini kaige medic one day medic no monto nutrition yo yom. Atogaiding akongo over saja sabo subati. Oh my okay breast cancer. And how you supposed to do it?
Tari mugurwanira no mwana.
Tari mugurwanira no mwana. At what point akire gukora? Kitende katebe ngaya. Ono ngokiandre breast cancer. I think we need a doctor to guide.
I think the last time to wate medic rukwana amangana breast cancer. Na maana na tebetenga ekiro mundago breastfeed ngokonyere ekiro mundako gonki buno mwana ngokonyere yaigora chi pipe chiri naria mabera tari kuganda achiko kubike bigomia ase asorberero musubati
ono kwa basacha no gongi sino kubwata
nchabono estimating asa basacharo
And at what point?
Umusubati kutaka kuitanga kurasa breast cancer ente kitangani ene kibuna kwa gongiria abana bawa sichinga kichonsi bwata abana tutika sense moya basacha na wote na ncho mugavano yokaho kwana boigo I think nseme ntoto toile selunga ki ekiro omuntu yakogonga ne ria bwana tukugora chi timete na kichikuruku
No, for me,
chiricha
na bwente ko clarify number 1 igakonga at any time including keromo swati yako breastfeed kwa sababu if lactating ose onye go breastfeed go kwigora chikwerende chi meshiperi then it means a child does it better ngakiri yako gonga igonga ne in fact umwana agakora perfectly ya kunguntabia lakini bono iga asande maybe after mwana akolire kogonga you know that's where we now need clarification
tofauti nero ya egati ya breastfeeding na boigo sake
so abono no to benete konyora ri chibubu yanga kinka kebwenerete and at what point tebanga maybe umusacha iga kari kurwanira amabere no mwana in the name of cancer bago prevent.
I'm reading something guy. One of them erotic lactation. Okay. They will discuss the issue. Timothy medic. Can you take it?
But we need one.
You promised that I'm going to keep. After everything is.
After we go breast sucking, na we go breastfeeding.
Yeah. Is it an issue? Yeah. Is it a medical issue? Na conyer, or is it a sexual issue? Can be. I can make it both. We are stretching the idea of breast sucking. Okonye bintu bingi.
Lakini asabono abasubati bagonkia
abana babo.
Yes. Na boigo asipedia kata nari mungu kwanirira urugongo rwa Western Kenya kire gotanga ground shifting beneath Ruto Raila feet in Western. Wetangula and Mudavadi are facing a backlash on the ground from disgruntled residents. Natembeya and Wamalo are leading a campaign to move the region in a different directions. Ndacho nonyo moseneta we county ya Kakamega muske bwana Alwale nigo agokwanira obrai wa Western nekira gotabona kerokenda sama tukaetire nigo bari koireranga nigo Western Kenya tabwate omonguso mono lakini bonegana liarorire nga enchira ense gosoro gongorwa chakire enchira abantu ba Western Kenya bachakire ochenche birengereryo asabo chorio bonna bore bosyo wekabachi gutwara omonguso nebwate igamangana bona bono tawe movement eyo egendete kurawa kegima negati yabara ikura soro gongorwa nabo igo gukwanerere Nzoia sugar deal napo igo yakwanira Wetangula plot napo igo Wamalo seniority nebintu binde binge
ndakora bishkara comment gabu maite kare before the 2010 constitution omonto kobe kingpin ya community yo yaringe ko limit bari kubori bora events. That's why tu abwate a very limited number of kingpins kurwase chi region unabono. You could tell from Western we had Mudavadi to Raila from the Nyanza part. The from the, I don't know which is it the South Nyanza? ega bono rogongo rwa gusi na bake barenga bake sana. But the introduction of 2010 constitution, Matilda, yaretire a new generation of politicians, especially as bari governors who tend to be believing they are also kingpins, they are kingmakers from their own communities. That's why Oroche, there's an emergence of new people who profile themselves bana bare kingpins which community, especially aba governor, kwa sababu keroro mugavana we county igo kobanga naye oromo nene gabu like Oroche from the western part who seem to be doing away, especially Natembea, who wants to do away with the leadership ya Moses Wetangula, who have been there, Babo Mudavadi, kwa sababu na Oroche nga maene obeire kingpin. Apart from now Trans Nzoia, igata itako extend to the larger western community. Igonga aba governor, including our own here from this county, who says nere ore spokesperson yomugusi. Gonga obo governor bobo waletire at least in that tebe ntobwate like over 20 kingpins usibali barabarai bechi region kwa sababu gani ekeroge kegiachete to a point like people feel they are the senior-most, including Kisi, who the governor says is the spokesperson actually. I don't know, including Nyamira kwa sababu ntara iwa ondega goteba lakini rende ya goteba bumu kusi you wanna see anything about Nyamira and Kisi County. So the 2010 constitution yaretire a new series of leadership because politicians a class get politicians na ndege achire as na much as ge kurusio maitege koreta ge kurusi kwa sababu umuntu no mugavana kerwo ikira ta level yo mugavana aibono politically igokora kananga kwa ikire the senior-most ekero yo kanda kotigariti maybe no kuyobora ibwense onye to korengeri maybe kuborio wa senator ogendere ko ba ase county unabono Jackson Mandago was in Gishu, Ali Rob of Mandera barwita sobo governor bakaenda sobo senator lakini kero kwa rora sobo governor ebone kero go tigariti anda ko ranyore maybe no waziri go chabu ko se kero kuyobora ibwense because you tend to lose relevance at some point as a politics according to the way we bangitonye ye level ya yo boraine bo governor ko unless you CS ko so mo senator because ko chikorengera lianda ko boli boraine and we constituency orkananga mburikoba na benge bone kwarwa high school and kwere na back to primary kwarore. So the 2010 constitution nkoretere politicians and in a way ngosokiere through maybe obo governor boya unabona roche babo Joho izeta bo libo raibense kusi bona be CS bunare babo paranya igo nkoretere na ande yasoki according to me.
Yes, Abuga. Ase mangana iyo ko ligera buna rogongo getekero kende ngando twaro mongoso ase obuchori bona bure posio.
No, politics in Kenya is tribal. You should look at the way Gasha was done it. And despite what the challenges here politically, already Kalama region is central into one basket, which within a period of 2 years will be decided in almost area. Okay, some will make a reference to the Wusi community during the time of Yanyachai. The community tried it in 2002. For some time. Look at the Nyanza region, the low side of Nyanza region. Yeah, to area for close to 2 decades. Yeah, to area. The same basket carrying the name. Other communities have tried it. You get to a point one of which again I think it happened in 2002. The last time it was work in terms of tribal politics. I think in 2027 it's going to be a repeat of 2002. Once then now we can decide on what to discuss. And that as a negotiating table, my current will happen next. But no, the idea of Western region made reference to that story. On the Western region, you have almost 6 leaders.
There are a lot.
There's Moses Wetangula, there's Davadi, there's Gino Amaro, there's Malala, there is Natembea,
Paranya
Naro.
Yes.
For the people who are very politically connected at the top, like someone like the president could be happy. But yes, it don't mean what's quite but the word Montom. Monto right Kremotangani water. Even where yes, putting where Natembea comes from. Natembea seems to be cutting across all the sub-plans to Western region. But you see now, it can't claim to be owning the Western vote. So now, the king being politics, yes, I can service for the same way I've said in put Kialengoro, and it's likely to reflect as 2027. But the question could be, is it progress in terms of enjoying the democratic space here country? That nobody ready to work at school, nobody ready to work at school. Because I'm talking about 2027, I come on the school because it comes from a certain region.
Yeah.
Right? So I will still enjoying the democratic space that telling us continuing your work in my university school. Because I idea of the school, yesterday was some doing Western region could be having a good percentage of voters, or say residents of Western region not school.
Yes.
And like in other parts of the country, including Kisii and Tarangwa school, Western region is not my even Bogerner my Asavan, but school, that's our Pawakachukura. The Boga Usimonto, the school, Prenyawate Kevande.
Mpaka abantu bari abagatu bonse kenyora abantu babatevana.
So that's why Montago Tanga Squatia Chich tribe and they still comes back at the Mugwati Chukura. Because the instance you're thinking a key, Monta, I registered as a voter. So in Kenya, the voters card.
Just an idea is enough.
Right? That's why about the thing we can check online, if you're registered, you are ready to go. So for me, the political politics can trade against this country could be our president in this case, which cause havoc in 2020.
And including the issue of Western, and then Natembea Igagocha, what we call it's a moment, yani circumstances chiagere anda kororokanire koba nere katia baraibali bare part of the leadership ya Western kwa sababu Natembea is just a first time governor. Actually from being a governor nanitanya koba in any political seat igarenge sovereignty. Kono the leaders ya watu wanyarako batoko kwana then including Moses Wetangula Mudavadi bali baberera se ensemo ya siasa mono they are dining with the government of the day. So and according to Natembea and the other people bali in opposition igego at a moment when the country feels like a president has missed a lot onere Natembea igagocha koba pinga bali with the government of the day. Opposition in that part. That's why Roche are trying at the Tawe movement. Actually, the Tawe movement is all about Kokana Babo, Mudavadi, and even the Wetangula, who are now dining with the government. And again, Western for the longest time. I have book another type whether have they ever been united? Sababu they tend to be having a lot of leaders. Babuata baraia bange Wetangula naro, Mudavadi naro, Agabo Kio Mtatambaro, Paranya naro, Natembea wewe nero chire, Malala nero chire. In fact, ntuwe bulldozer. Bullfighter. Bullfighter, not bulldozer. Bullfighter, Boni Halwale, who has been there. In fact, Selassie nero chire the modern politics. So Western they are very generous. Tina nyakora bako beke kura yawe se basket yemu ne bomora ibo kiama ya ODM. They were supported for the longest time. 2013 I think Mudavadi no alenga setebe lakini Raila nanyo tichikura alichi nyingi. So tuma Western ne country get tora tebe era nyara ko bage kobeka kura yawe se basket yemu. Considering the weight of the leaders, to what doesn't say me.
Abuga. Na wako bagana chukura no mogusi.
I think in 2022, I think about the chukura from 16 political parties. And about the 45 MCs in Kisii, the something in Yamir, senators, and the president governor. 16 different political parties. And I can bet on this. In 2027, we'll have more than
16.
20, more than 20. after the Chukura Chaka 2022, there's a coalition that came up. Is it Taifa coalition something? GDC Taifa Democratic Coalition ya better formed. Ikaira chikapatana chabo KNC and kwende KNC Kenya Social Congress chikasoin. I'm sure kuna tokwana there could be 2-3 political parties that were registered. The issue ya Matiang'i they need a political party from the region as much as they want to link him to Jubilee. Could be having a across. Well, in case there could be something that will happen. I know 2 or 3 political friends who are also preparing to have political parties in the next couple of months. So it's partly what they need to see. But it's good to if mwananchi room or room right now target. But it's now the question will be after the chair. The Gusi community talk serikali, what happens? Who goes the negotiating table? Going to be a case of like when you're the popular candidate, we got the national level. Kila mashinani takuwa tigiro. Takuwa tigiro like macho from this party. What now happens? That's now you come when you have a kilometer montai to go to Kaseket. If the president comes to Kisii today, I'm going to Rai, Bagusi political leaders from Kisii region, other than nominated leaders or selected leaders. Could you find like there are 1,000 people want to meet the president from the political space?
Yes.
Why? Come on, that what the
interest.
Not even the interest. Actually, it's jealous. Not the Gusi community. Abantu. Na wakikuwa M-Pesa akaika leo.
Oyo ndazabe kibosibwa.
Next. But we are kissing you are fighting for the customers. They are no customers. Jealous getting umuntu. Na getting biashara kana kitambi. You go to a street town it's not a busy street. Koja kemo ndamate boutique. Across like 100 meters. For kwa welinga. What will happens? The flow ya crowds in these streets stage. Same thing politicians in Kusi. If a day comes, by Karansamba telling about the Karansamba one night. You know, one day you go to Rift Valley, as a community, the Kipsi, the community, the Kalenjin community. You think, I'm touch go back to and from the same political party. But there are some few elements within the political space here, Kalenjin land, the Kipsi land, packaged from different political parties. Look at how Nandia's gone quiet. This the Ketel guy.
Alfred. Nandi Hills, yes.
Nandi Hills. The way he has gone quiet. Because the realizing community chinde, chance ya kwandam. Or you have to address your antanzi go think. If the Gusi community will come to that level, that over the weekend you will meet Gusi leaders around. Actually, if you go to Rift Valley over the weekend, from Friday to Sunday, you'll find the Kime Changi almost 10. And work on different constituencies. About to work on Damogomea now. Bakuruwega bagenda. But in Juicy, assuming you do not follow Swana and Mochango, you find only you get read at Bagana Sumo.
Janda, Alpha Miruka.
Avande Bago Pink actually. Same way you got Kimakendi, member of parliament, Alangi Mochango, you find it could Kronjay and Chigan Mechango.
Including the neighbor cannot even go there.
So still was never the Mechan and 2027 the way I've said, you find more than 20 political parties again from Lucy. Where do you find like in Tutu Masabo? There's a time we have got 21 candidates for a by-election. Not even for a general election, for a by-election.
Yes.
Kilo Montago, Okono Chimonoga, you go correct campaign, you on that road. You work a youth and nigga, you don't go time. You see, it's something we're willing to. Nice, it's meaning about Tavan, Bank, a same plan, like now in Mira politics. It's what you watch constituency. There's a clan Kiaba Granco. There's the Kiaba get to the Mundo and Vavra, Vabukai. Come on, you want to Sumasava. Avrava get tutu, what's candidate in your Chibuga. Candidate is a Chibuga. Candidate is a Nina, but one of those people.
Come on, Kuburing at
Tampang, we want to about Monta. Like now, when an independent comes from Garissa, Duare, the current CS for
the elders inside.
The elders sit, and they're less than 100 people. We can have a second meeting within 1 hour, but then at the time we decided.
Lakini usiase meeting une yumbawe
ika. Usi have than 10 people don't agree.
Bona tienda gote maite kwa ngiri boga igoro nare ko analyze dobochore bwa 2017 at a constituency level. By the way, Nganyora Kitutu Chacha North was the one that had. Is it Kitutu Chacha North? The whole page now.
Yes, for the 2022.
Yeah. It had a lot of aspirants. A whole page. Again, there's an MCA, an MCA aspirant or Rumugusi. I remember we had not. Kero about the by-elections Bakazi South last time. Kero Musili Mawadha Irete Chikura. When I looked at the aspirants, Kanyoraba Gusi, there were almost 5.
Bale kubeka namu
you know bale kubeka namu asa kumuntinga kiti gatoende buno mugusyo yomo na babantu bali bayocha kubwa again tokende buna Nairobi, especially these cosmopolitan places including Nairobi. You go look at those aspirants baba abakusi. We could be having a lot of representation as a Kasakukiyo Mugusi in Nairobi, but because of that abantu
jealousy
baichiro mba kuyikwana bunaba gusinga ki inchuto ba mu no mugusi egente ke tokanyoro. You know it could be good. It is the same thing. Inki, I'm sorry to say about Nyaribare Church. It's my constituency and I know the politics in that constituency. Unabona Batondo, I know they are watching me. Batondo has never produced a leader asing enjoy aspirants. And Batondo has a kura numbers. But I will be a unifying factor one day. So it's the same thing. Okonyaranga Batondo boka bago soka, igubara Batonda abange to a space other parts of Nyaribare Church. Simbaya, politics is local. Na yaba mino gali totebanga there's a time we come at a family moment. Ntia ya nabatondo, ntunaba guchembaro abatondo mbaro bake sinaba basikisambaro agambire lakini botonda they can't kwa sababu gani? The number of aspirants bako correct bako soki. They have numbers. But the problem is aspirants bako correct bako soki. So it's good, especially these cosmopolitan places, including Nairobi. We need a representation of Mugusi. We have other places like Nakuru. Tigabagus onyo Mugusi mo Eastern sensible community for the benefits of Mugusi. Totebanga ya to support the candidate. Egerenga tuanyore kure yo Mugusi. Bono before taraenda koligi yo bosani kuru chikabira chinde already ayo Mugusi kwara bagire kiro munda nando mata uzibara generous. Come to Kisii kero bora ibo kubona no bwense. Naro yora irechi nyinge but no yore my ganda na korte na bwate a good number, a considerable number of votes. So abagusi bali bare urban places isaransa ekure yo Mugusi tebagano na hindu to representation muna baona tangu yonde mo governor Simbarati aru Nairobi Dagoretti. You can tell we are lacking a representation in Kasakukiyo Mugusi in Nairobi. Momanga tacheti gweta kwarade. We need to sit as a community, especially in these towns. Abagusi baigwana ki ya to support candidate X ekure yo Mugusi never considered. We are a community to put numbers by the way. Let me tell you na kerogwa ka numbers cho Mugusi ga Nyamira and Kisii County. Iganka to put 960,000 votes going to like 1 million. Lakini usa kama ente kura yo Mugusi yo manyete in these towns Naivasha, Nakuru, Nairobi. In fact, naboto wika even 2 million. I can tell you. Mugusi naris, Mugusi umonge yaris.
And abantu bamenyete isko bono mpali abantu either bawo kole mirimo
abate working class.
Abana bale to school abate bande. Yo irabasa koreta umubaro ko bayigoro.
Gatategabuke kentongere ngore bori na bori tia abantu limere digari and I could have wished to ask you. Omondo bwatete kura Kajiado Mugusi. So bere Nyaribare Church. Na bwatera idio kubolinga nkie para getetararo se.
Okay, nabago tuara on the basis I will sit in Nabanto on Nyaribare Church. But you see now, na kungo telling target. Because kero mo ntakerete mo jumbe chikura. The level at which I could represent him on parliament registration. Development, president Kuanda still will demand development yes, the native land here. As I believe. So still now what will demand for development because I'm not so. I guess I get it is just a venue you work at. Telling a thing since I get a portable they talk again.
They get a no mundo to konyara wikera.
Break a level ya you go demand accountability 200%. Well, you are still 20-30% demanding accountability from our right. They still have accountability. Whatever the current leadership is doing, one day of stepping their mandate. Talk on your Mojumbo, Mziago post Facebook and I was the paraget. You never know what I it does a role executive. So still the other question from the other thing a key target Kura. Now but your target Kura, what I will tell now in the continuing now. I don't know
I think Abuga, for example, my imagination politically totebenga omugusi abwatere omugusi oriska abwatere kura gusigaiga. You see the county allocation sigo chigocha out of the population ero. I think Gusii will be among the counties we enjoy a big share of allocation. If they come totebe babaru lakini circumstances omaete tokomenyanka anando agendera abantu mbari bachite kuriye kwerende chifea na chiro chinko bachire lakini my imagination is totebe ngabono mugusi abe faithful acha abwatere kuraga. I'm telling you will be one of the counties to bwata allocation nyingi.
Na gutigana nayo ase omugano obwo oko eburaburu soneke wa sechi skuru mancho murigire nigondagane omudirector ne ambekire omugano korwa chinsemo cha aburabu korwa se skuru yamo tayare erinde tunyare gusanga wave of unrest shakes schools as learners protest abuse and neglect. At ntobote mnabono korwa igase skuru ya banyaroka ya Kaplong na boigo ntobote Mbale Boys korende ase Kaplong girls nigondo chenga abanyaroka abaiga nigo banyarete gutwara gose buraburu yanyarete kwene kiwa ikiagira bagote umwari moyo monarororo oko nerelia abanyaroka abaiga na boigo skuru ya bamura ya Mbale nero nigo ndo chenga bakanyara gosamba edom obwatakana anakeri bagotabunga nigo bako ose mbali konyoropo kole borobia korwa ase abateneni babo ime yeskuru yo nabo igondo chenga abagavana nigo bagokwanera yani county ya Mombasa nga mugavana nigagoteba ose abagavana nigo baracheko nikibuna abana bonsi bari ebirasi byachekecha ose birasi biriye bikepi banyare konyora endagira ase school. Time tinga engani gaya abuga to kero to kurigereria unrest ase chiskuru eburaburu kwane kiwase aborokiwa ane no chembe yega ya chakire ko gusama tukabango yega yara tuliete.
See, there's a couple of cars just because of work kisumwa moyo mo ngako for sexual harassment.
Yes.
You see, for so many years tuweka na school emereale school mingi, but the cause is still the same. Nje chiko ya idea because of poor wiring ya corridor yes ma nje chiko because of wanafunzi wa sambi nje chiko because of community ya sambi actually because of batagete principal getere mwalimu wano nje chiko ibono na like now the students were couple of girls kabango le mostly you see it started from Marian girls ke wangu wakisu mwalimu wa mongana nyamete former student yae the student yayo lenge akamunyoma. No, these are issues Jikoba piled up for a long time. Jikoba solved. There's nothing in wanafunzi bazoke bakambi school from nowhere. Ndoba incident where a principal kana wanafunzi mbango chimopi una Champions League. Baimoka basamba. Kono igat of onyara wanafunzi bana bale below 15 years, bale below 18 years. At least 60% or 70% ko support bale below the Premier League Champions League. Either team. Now I watch it. You have not the main chance to watch Mopiro. Like just 90 minutes. Ndio cost the principal. Kwa laba nafunzi wa watch Mopiro ndio cost the school. Because net TV kwa gari. Aro Mopiro wa ndwala. 90 minutes ndio kwa wanafunzi wa kumaten. That's one. Another issue ne ya Kaplong girls is a teacher kwa rasi wanafunzi. No, this incidents are in schools where we have met teachers back not even harassing but what they tend to have relationship na wanafunzi. They are there. But it all depends on mwalimu mwanenge school you was a body school one of those issues. If there's a company you better learn with the principals with the board na mwanafunzi na mwalimu na what issue ngeka tabete handled to a point that in all school wanafunzi almost 2000 virus okaparo the most against a teacher missing the care for some time. These are issues chitangatia very solved at early stages. Lakini school chinge chi management and education chiko tendiko ko igino bright ya wanafunzi nga ba comprehend. For me these are issues nanga chiko so even within at level ya wanafunzi prefects. Because the level of prefect how to school na abantu very bright.
Yes.
School yangu wako chini wanafunzi wa na prefects. If that chain continues from the prefects and as a body masters and as a career guidance and teachers angabi mbele ko. There's no student who have come just at the school from Mendagra yale attend. Endagra mbaka yale for a long time. Kwa mtu alenge school ngato weke Mendagra mwende.
Oh, zeta.
Kwenye mondaga tinga haba siaba, tuwa bekireta alima, mwana benchi la gete. Kwenye school cheka za chiba bekira mafuta. But if you not communicate proper na wanafunzi ngaya mafuta tarikabege tugatonyete stima ikagenda beke ilante nika mafuta gatonya waira seburungi they'll plus against you akominyo because they're in adolescence ukiwa bana bara they will be on you.
Yes, ase engane yo omwancho murigire abiburi ebeskuru gose abiburi bali babwata abana babo ase skuru ya St John Nyakwerema emeye bunge ya Burabu county ya Nyamira nigo na Burabu banyarete ko kurobekana kubwatikana kiribuna tiba mutageti umwalimu bono omugeni oyo nyarete gocha ase skuru yo robotero no rarigeni no murike tofauti gari gisembiri ndecinyare ko gendera
nemambia yelitukuria lero imeye skuru ya Nyakwerema Secondary School iyo gotoke meye wadiga ya kyabanyaru ebunga ya Burabu abebuli abaigani go besokire baramunelio rocholi tindi asikire ngate batageti mwalimu yoletwa asaya igabwango mono igikogera kulingana hamwe na Burabu ni skuru yiga yagendera ko bagekwire na magegasa matuka matambe
ya ikire skuru yegere bwata bana 18 twango yuri binyoroka twarusire abana skuru twaretera twikire abana 200 koro 18 baka 200 boniga bamanyire go ikaboniga tamwe kara baratiro mwarimu wasari uji skuru wetani sana nera baka tratire skuru ma ntwara buri twanda mara go tabana mambia mwarimu otigagende skuru ne aba ikompuya
obo maene mbolinga skuru ete Nyakwerema eya gwete pi ekagupi baka tukasinywa ngendrete twarusi abana skuru mali mbali twaje skuru gaiga chibara se toko ndoto wabanyarande skuru ende bwati bana karata bana bano Nyakwerema naye mukegoro umwisimi kwa pen mumanya kate batikasa pote skuru yagara gendere ono ngaye ku kerenta to ko te won mabingo abana bakubeke bikurongo mwani mole tu mungao etoko sabaka moranje umwani moyo gakyagende
uko na monegeta sene kyagetembe nigo baorokire njira samatukama ego mwalimu ngabuno yegarete twase skuru ye nige skuru yegarire netemagega egento kolengana mona Burabu batatageti kwirorera
egachega ikatokareta ruo mwarimu gete omugaka ore gochikoritaya agacha karari skuru ye karara pi paka togasinywa abana bagatigara 19 togacha tokareta ruo mwarimu ondo okoro kusema orioki agateba aragitingi principal roro kati twatemire koreta abana tokongorwe binyoronga ntorochi abanyarurande torabariri twatemire koreta abana ige skuru ye yaitu twasabira abana abairi twasabira abana munanje bwe komanyene suppose abana 22 ocho twasabira abana ebinyoreze erinde naitwe kenyoro giite skuru yaite boke kenyoro kakoraki keboke bone kenyoro giito ikiabokire twamanyire konyora abana bono mambi bagukure ebibe twasokire buna abaibori torore ninki kegendete bagotete inga yaya no mwarimu ochire aranda atigaretie miaka ebere aritaye miaka ebere ngasikia gocha gokora igagocha koritaya ngasikia korira gocha koritaya onyore batagete batigo mwarimu oria abagitingi bakakore 844 system erinde torarete kenyoro giito keraboka
waigoni go besokire na kugendera ko emurungarire kubwatakana muno boteneri obwo bwagendera ko bagokorwa asiskure yiga asibono bagosereri kunyara ko bakorusia abana babo na onye abo bisabeche semimba wikirina sayiga na kunyara ko babago sunsura engane yiga
200 naende pasira yebon estoy kora ragaya wasamne ito yaito erike Nyakwerema bueno etatira ne bono iralesika vaya tunyeroche
egatibo igo ya abaorokigwa nigo banyara ko bakurukubekana se chinseme chiga asikiringa nigo bagikere igoro yogocha ku mwalimu ya sayiga asibaerere nganigo boboreire okunyara ko bakugwasa matemo ari bosyo asibaganire kwegwa umwalimu rabakonya
bonongo chayo to yino na matem tunto mumait nande kwanza ogoti chiskuru aseri kune chiskuru gete chininge sa tiganda sa go tuntu sha mtota ete atara ota tunto muteti tiganda chiskuru chinde chiro titawat prince kama to amonge gosta ba igona tutwa prince po go chatara turu mngao lakini kaliyo ento mutaiti no kama
kulinde kulingana mo no assistant chief asireta Kevin Hosero uyikirina sayiga nigagendere ko bagako basemya bibuli abako babatwereru chingaki engani yiga egendere to ko bagigosensorwa
here go maintain peace na bana na batayire ba calm down because there is a link between mwanafunzi no mwalimu mwanafunzi na balimu wetara saba bibuli baba bali bachorera se board ngo batake their time asa class kwanza it's to the problem ebe resolved egara na bana na masomo bono abarimu na twatamire abaibori twatamire bakwanira batiga mangana mange such that abaibori baikaranse na board members na staff na community abagaka bari bachote na community bakwanire about this problem egere naria abana bagenda na masomo
Ingo ripoti rigetaseni kia wanjete kia katembe kurasi nseme chigache skuru ya St. John Nyakwirema Secondary School imeyebunga ya Boragwe County ni ya Nyamira inchi konkuru kwa Polycarp Okara
Bienda Mategoro nalingi na bali mwaiga nande mbakwaneta magana security ngana buko gende school onyolenga environment gose community ere around the gabu nigere hash use abantu batari kwarigania abarimu abageni wende bate omwarimu no mubatu tibeti ngumwarimu ekera emyaka ya ingi kandeta bwana ntiko somi gwikarita
might have been every an experience bono a community I think according to Enjira na takerere story okonyoranga level nere barenge umwarimu keraru usiku au bachire andake mbanya kubaira ni sababu enelete kobera that could be the possible thing namba yendenelinga they are judging umwarimu oyo mbona acha akitarabera erendi atwara magose maybe they are judging from the physical appearance and the retirement time yae gochigocha barenga lingandake esinge nchabeiro mugaka tagocha ko perform buya but abaibori I think eskuru ne ya community kere skuru era at a certain place eskuru yegere ya community yoko konya abantu bakoretaki baro ase community unique abanafunzi no abantu bande babere banyore gasi bakora gabwe ase skuru iyo igare ko agenderia sobogima kera sene bwate placing emyaka gete gwego ikanko retire bono ngaimota getachi at the end of the day ono mwalimu he has experience so many for over many years no muntu maitenga kyako handle even abanafunzi for me I feel like tiga abantu barigania bantu ba move on changes are there umaite changes are inevitable changes inko bachiro kero mu sababu nchiro cyo mwarimu araro usigugaya airwo kigali I think is upon the community to understanding changes inko koraki nchiro and they need to welcome changes when changes comes people should just accept changes noena mwanafunzi naro kwa nagabu yo mwarimu ona barabo mokoto lakini material SM yaro ne yakortaki ne
ndete mo mwarimu akobe myake menge the more
there are things that comes with experience SM ayo muligereti olinga igaro mokoto but what is happening tali yaro gosomi class the whole block nero gosomi skuru yi ochakatanga bono maybe nkugwera nkiyokugwera gotono mwarimu oro abarimu mbaro barengo abakoro bagendete kobero actually umuntu ochinji maybe leadership gali administration leadership at that level lakini abarimu bali babo tambe bakataki mbaro so for me I feel like the community feels omwarimu naro orengo akaba set standard getekeraruo maybe umuntu naro abachire the standard has never been maintained to a point like they feel they are still using yani go bagande kutumeke standard yali arengo kwikera bonaiga na kibatari ko anjirana maybe bali bagocha but people should accept the changes that is according to me
abuga umwarimu okogenda gusene community banta go change njera abako akurire school
in the stories I've covered nearly 90% of a community coming against the principal, you find the communities on the wrong side. See, if the community stand up, we don't want the principal. And the baggage, next principal, because if you are in the civil service, go to one you can be sent away from the community and the community now. The consideration each principal, and deputy principals, it kind of brought in that mix abantu from different communities abagara bacha gusi abasikizi banda boruya come together chikaza integrate and you could tell results in improved at that time because the new government ya China ampanza kweno chinso abonande and you could see now the dangers even to the answer happening here kato ngokina you could find my mom was a teacher also in the nearest school called overall even for 30 years at school ya paka yani a community ya monaranga
Okay, ni abana baba bali mu school.
Baba school hiyo. Actually even my mom was a teacher in one of the primary schools in Ga. Wanafunzi bala somete, they came back wakawa walimu still kama walimu. And you find in some circumstances wanafunzi they come back because bala masomo change wasome kwa ndio wasome wetani baba somete. Mwanafunzi the back of the deputy principal of the teacher. Mwalimu wa masomo bala classroom teacher. Sasa hizo nachukua chakera kuruga but then before mote escalate issue the media or nini education needs someone to suba mwekaranza mwate banga yatokaliga nini. Look at this community, look at the way you mwanafunzi yako na against that teacher. Mwanafunzi yo na chika so mwalimu still, and now you see mwanafunzi you're complaining against a teacher akiba ni band bacho go film mwanafunzi. It's an issue kiko chaka ngora, but at the end of the day performance in school in the next few years take issue. And even if you go to this school, the community can support this school. There's no support system in school from the community. So it's
abo ibori mbagwateri baga rinene rio kone kiuna abana ba banyorire services chingia kurose abare mwegente gitangani buna security ko mwarimu no yomete takunyara gutara ase kinyoro buneke ekera abo ibori bakogesa kuneke kurene asoro boti rumonje murigere tokogenda mutumuka na bwigo ntuchikoirana iri kogenda no murobere bwetwani agetembe.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi Proval net gauges au unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate Dumrang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile Provals alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala buna bonelia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumucuri go busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Mogusi igwa amagulini gakirwo moroka ase eduka ya Shah Ceramics igulire deformed bars TMT steel, ordinary nails, square tubes, round furniture tubes, black pipes, black sheets, round bars, wire mesh igatibinto binde evinge tuba eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorosya chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoroisya ebintu biria bikomanya segeka ngo kwanira chirangi ekyo boigo chire chichi brand ao ekyo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiria chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriria gatigati gwikari guri ria bantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganie wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi na boigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduka yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuyigo musongo eyuerangene eduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Gusi bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya wanje tega Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimrulu ao ya Tembe Television Network ayene amate yao kuli miyensi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimega je Christmas amonogo chingira kumwako muya iliwego kinemrulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia Mogusi. Subscribe ase channel ya Getembe TV rero ili manyibuna mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Getembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Getembe ao ngakiende yonse inyoranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Getembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video cheto boigo share na basani amone amate ejo baigokie bemanye na wesemia tobase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekenge edio onyaliko bagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Getembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeonga kia Mogusi.
Boy Juakali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia echisovaset ebirogo byechisovaset bagomba bwate chikapet chisanduki cy'abana bagucira eskuru na boygo echo kubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo ao kurwa eri abana bagucira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chiviber chokoroseria ebirogo na boygo chips chokoros chipillowcase echo ogorarira.
Gagi, Omwana yo boy tikanda ndango ichibesa. Chibesa ntabwate muko lakini naikire taraja seito nanyorire mwapo ichu wakali. Hai, bone chibesa kwenda mpulingi go pulingi. Emeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru. Emeito yo konyora bana jisare. Kwara zangu ra duniani kaki horoje paka nabwate paka ebinto mbire bakoro kwa chiferi beti. Chikorozi ebiroko biechikali. Hai, kaki aba kusiba sipinga imore. Kaki imore. Hai, inchu kaki mwenzi tabatari. Ninchu goja moye binto koruga mwapo ichu wakali. Hili, omuganga chemisi onkoroko kaki.
Mbabwate chitandarua chokorosia ebirugo byechigali naboigo ebirugo bya leather gusechi sofa set chia leather gwetania abo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet echo oranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi origeti korosia nebintu nebyo mbabwate cha arms ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonya ne chitandarua chokorosia chihema mbabwate kaiba gutuka nigo bagutuka ange ne hotel ya Kisi Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Oru Superstores barabari na Kisi Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kende gyonsi bakire ase enamba 0720688220 Boy Juakali Center inkyukanyete utaragura ebintu bya okuroro
Njempo ichwa Karisto na bariga ni mwesto koleri asara sobwamo ingotoka opposite Kisi Hotel na bariga ni mwesa
Gaki. Gaki, genda mwapoi gaki nyasaye baba boli chwakali. Gaki, egotoka alinsali tara chambili. Gaki, ligere libudango kuanete, omushi omubihili. Gaki, nariri gori kwa sarense, ebinto nago lile gaki. Bui chwakali. Hili. Gaki, hili. Ngogongonya. Mushi omubihili. Kulite bintu muni mamba.
Nigo bakwigura amatukonsi kuri nderi tukuri sabato tibari kwigura.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara usitosomya bamuraba chikuya mandegere usitosomya bamuraba chikuya mandegere.
Karibu sana nainde umancho murire kero togendete no morobere chinga kichiga chiabono mambindo chinga egati yabari ebagendete ko bana intu na Natasha Mkiutu kora chinse mocha kanyimbo Dominic Irere kora abo mukora Surambaya Rosafi Rose Michemo 04 baga mata kwamboka nere koro kitengela omosori bwegesusu kora Nakuru City Bonventure Movisa nega watebonga kora chinse mocho mosocho no areme morobere Teresa Kemto kora Karatina tuned in Alex Mauti Maroki si county agota nategea pamoja na babangu mzazi David Mauti Nyakweva na Victor Onyoki agoteba Guka wa Ushago 025 streaming live kora chinse mocho Nyangusu Bukinami Village chinsemo agotebonga kora area rigi na chinsemo cha Bukinami na boigo Mbati timu yende aigana ndi chinseme chocho cha Facebook na para obagendete kusanga ebirengereri byabo bunabono ga obaga kwenye tomonyorere Apostle Godfrey Musani agotebani gagendete ko watch na Esther Omonero agoteba kora chinsemo cha Kinguso Nyamira North pamoja na Bwegos Hospital Onyancha agoteba kora Egesieri Nyamira pamoja Kigima na boigo upate journalist Davin Nyaboke ni gawata wa watching live kwa chinsi mocha tabo kwa Kisi Isaac Nyandieka Ononga kwa Doha Qatar watching live Barnabas Gekonge Kevaso nera wataba kwa Doha Qatar watching live igo bonsi na barintara nyarukonyora ujumbe chapo mbia muno sana kenda gutigara ime yomurobirega witwane yagetembe timu nene nikima korinda sengencho yeviro nigo ndachiko pasogeri kero otogo cha gukora ase bali tutaraomerana Abuga ekero kurige gazeti ya Daily Nation.
Daily Nation, I think the Nation everything ya standard ya judiciary. Issue yako prosecute Boniface Mwangi na terrorism kama drop yesterday. So that could be the headline again, ya Nation. But there's an interesting story ile page ya Katoto ya Justice Nyakundi, Ruben Nyakundi. He's an interesting judge as a High Court. Issue I will discuss about the judgment. Ya how to share property. Ya matrimonial property. Ya mwasha kila mwa wasanile na mwasha property. Akadanga there is no law equalao na kengo mountain property that contributed for. I think the judgment okay mbawe tumali abantu ba fight kinekyo bajesera tebanga article 45(3) of the constitution equal for how to share property after marriage, during marriage and after, and maybe before marriage, during and after. And to share property.
Yes.
So they're saying there's no proof of your contribution to claim matrimonial assets possessed stolen. So tatebanga abugo nyomi meri. I want to say njagwa de chile chingo sa Maria mange. Nyome, God forbid, musajasi. And now you claim the entire property. So just nyakuna wakati nga mochukuru wani Maria, you there's no law ekatebanga ke montaña ore ikosha. You only get what you contributed to, how that property came in. But the return of Shakaora debts. I think Shakaora jacket, almost 400 people have died. On my time, Bakwete, not willingly. And you see, and what annoys me most about this story, Sam, is that our Tabangakwete got a attack. And traveling in Mishara, I want to one of the people back with us Shakaora. Now we have Shakaora 2 actually. And Mondomo could have Shakaora 1 was an air hostess. Mondoli and the back, Bakotoka Chindaga, so Bakotoka Chindaga, Okadisha passengers. Montomos Patamona with Abadomo Sharumi. And I moved alone, Akaira Shakaora 1. So it's Kario, I got the Vanga on your side, other one on your side, a Kabanja for some time, a Quera Forest here in my. It's so shocking now. Out of that incident, around 400 backward. I want to Shakaora 2 actually, in Cliff County. As I want to Kirabande, Chimberachi, Tokyo, so I can investigate. I come and key in the Giat Toro, Packet Grass Kirega. Esto Negaiga, Erase Epetia, Health Nation, and one a single cell.
Single cell, a
name, yes. But I got Pangukina, so I think about one single cell Bange. Balikuika miaka 5, 7, 21 years. Turenda utawi ya teenager, wende miaka ya teenage. Kwa sio bugima na utoa manyete hivyo. But interesting is to nila kwa rege page ya as a page ya 5. Mugaka mukuru Nyamira. Kurukwenda kumugaka. Adanga bate miaka 60 years. Yeah, 60. More than 60
what
years.
64?
64, yes, 60 years. Omenye na single cell for all this time. Kala chitu kwa India. Aba niteba ngoltinga aliva trade no traditional medicine kwerwa no guriro ateba ya no kwerendere ndemba kwikire myaki. Is an interesting story takere ko guide nga ki okwerenda kero batore uno omongo nale gaiga bitimini minayo nere from Viga County na tango menye myaka more than 50 years no guriro wa single cell a condition actually no guriro condition pako ikira sai kirega you have the medical textbooks said they couldn't live past 5 years. The communities whispered about their conditions and they wanted to see them through adolescence party abange mbasirete. But it's a miracle na bado moyo wale mpaka baikira sika ikira wana hiyo. Story nere gaiga ya ntobati by election chile across the country chinyinga almost 20 something around 21 across the country. So it's tuna wadevanga when inheritance of political seats come in. I think Kerovia Kaspul what constituency mo inaiga asomo jumba kwetu no mwana wa sokire nenda tabo chukura then Malava constituency ntoroche kero njendi Malava kwete mwana wakatena kwa na farm jinga matanga. I think creating political dynasties when elected seats are preserve that few now kero chikomne chia ko chia bera ntaka bakure abana babo sabarugi baba tema kotena chukura ande babwa so yaba mna inheritance chukura ichu kero chia sokire. So ne to discuss ya breastfeeding. I think the same story in repeat ya Nation Gainer again read but there's an interesting story in on 13th page ya Nation.
Yes.
Kama tamandamana aba Nairobi abantu mbakitsa basigagite basa ne Subaru abantu nga the Subaru boys bakasoka sana abantu bakabariga batama But the nation took time, ikaenda mpaka saa kama the leaders from opposition were saying that is a killer squad yameta formed in the current regime kurwa ni Gen Zs na bantu bako demonstrate. But the nation has a page ya 13 ebwa this story get interesting. They are called a special operations group wagonga SOG. A group ya wasigari, they train in hardship areas no bago training. So they are saying is a team, is a special unit within the police. There's an interesting part about these SOG operatives are inserted where the state's presence is weakest and they expected to operate where diplomacy has failed. Now, kama maandamano ya Nairobi team ya tumekete.
Yes.
Kwa sokanesi bar bakaminyoki. Sasa wasigari bande wachid. So it's a government the police.
I think you need team area chete chinsa mune charongai.
Yes.
Yes.
And then beyond basic first aid, the team is also taught to respond to battlefield injuries. But this is the same squad, the same story when they're in operation, they do not leave any trace behind. Once by moving in, they clear. How clear don't give out the mic. But the interesting part again of that story so they just come do their mission back end. I think it's an interesting story. They went to open up the mind. More Kenya, whatever was happening in Kitengela or even Rongai in Congo was a bad story. But I think a killer squad now is guide. The kind of diplomacy between the regular police and our names are going to demonstrate. Kaya nyete kabidi squad ye come in. The story and that's the part of that headline near the red activist. Pakatanga bwana serikali mchini tani mpaka hayo kwa prosecute hapa Kenya. Ngara munda gwatru kwa bekitela judges in court kwa iru court. The story ndio yale ngine rero se page ya katatu, the story ya Kenage, ye suspect yanyo teke ekobwatu. No ngentro monto konyo wallet. Those are the main stories Sira saying set the nation for today. Yes.
Mienda.
Na sehemu ya Taifa Leo abagatanga kere serikali nebwate squad yae ekunya koboge kubakonya senseme y'oburendi ndochekaga ebiche Mosque Daniel Moi na abwate kikosi gya special branch Kibaki na abwate Kwekwe na flying squad Uhuru Kenyatta na abwate kikosi gya special service na bono iga omuraibinse na abwate ndotokurukanga kikosi cha 101 ikyo gekonyara kuba gekubakonya ase amangana abayoborai na ronkagerete ari lirinene na ande tofauti ase gazeti ya Taifa Leo igo yani igeko nande bikosi bagatabange bire haramu yani biri bikonyara kuba mbikere mitari bikosi bire within the constitution maybe ingelia yokonya ase chinjira chinde kira serikali nebwate alafu gaiga ndoche ase page ya kane hoyo rengo mugavana bwe county ya Mumeru yoro Musubati Kawira Mwangaza yo nyorotaka kuba gakurusigwa bisi bonega na egwa na nyore kiama kyarikora wa na Martin Wambora yorenge omugavana omukoro bwe county ya Embu Bono ndocheka ya Kawira akumbatia chama kipya na kutwika jamaa zake uongozi. Ngabono kurwanyore kiameke iga abantu be familia oborai unabono nero umurai munene gose party leader umwana wayo mumura kurukwa Victor Koome nero mukonyi bumurai na boigo umugakoye ogurukwa Murega Baichu nero le umu secretary general na mwese ko mwabo kwa Miriam Kawira nerore umunyakerugo chama ywe na Harrison Gatobu nere umukurugenzi wa chama bona I think does it reflect the leadership was toyebekenga is a family party kwa sababu kerubu ato mwana as you ayo muibori aye Matilda na aye party leader umwana onero mukonyi mugaga onere secretary general na mwisi ko menonere munyakerogo
yes
timatinga mbicha kiekoleta which is chama ya Kawira Mwangaza but we are a democratic country na bokolete kiama kendi yonsi kolengana as long as Kekoro kurende ikiama.
Kwende sami karo. Karo sikiwa hivi. UDA in the last elections. One of the party officials akamwambia mwana mwavo sijamira county assembly. Akamwambia kazi ni yeye kuja kisi county assembly. Akamwambia mwana ndo mwavo na county assembly. Same family. I think family ko somewhere agali kiamu kama before to get together so my family ko and they are in the assembly. One of the party leaders from Gusii region actually nominated you Moise Koi to county assembly. So the target could be Kawira Mwangaza was impeached as a governor. So the target could be they target understand number of MCAs that were elected through that party in 2027 so that the parliament Yabana Mwawazu.
Yes.
That's what could be the idea because Kawira Mwangaza would contest anything.
Yeah, because now she was impeached. Ta go contest anything na ndina igwanga na line eti mugako Mwe sono kwa senate tago cha kubori. Yeah, very true. So
Sasa wako kwa by the.
Yeah, wako kwa ile bado.
Politics ni funny sana.
Kama ite abuga. My argument when Kawira went home, nchena affiliating again to kile political kwa sababu gani? When I look at Kawira igachete parliament, I mean the Ase County kare independent. Akanyora trust ya abantu. Kawira aliko cha kubori 2027 ngobu ananda alengi. Katika lende bali the political opponents bakaranga. The only way bali kumuruhusia mapema settings is through an impeachment. So that's how politics is played in this country. I remember also na beta accused of nominating the mother-in-law. Koba
the morning, the media houses in the morning. I think Malala was in the set, educate from Migori County. So Malala was accusing Raila Odinga of having nominated him one out.
Yeah, like yes.
Okay, Chigata Malanga at some point nominated Mamomu because they come to them because UDA Secretary General. So it's just a family again.
No, so sina.
And it's cousin ahead of my thing.
I think also sina nominated your mother-in-law as a certain seat, but that is very normal. You remember Winnie, not Winnie, Ruth Odinga, no, Winnie, Yala. Winnie is in Yala. At the same time, we had the Kalonzo's son. Wakaba nominated at the same time. Pakagenda say Yala. So it's all about family issues. Look at the Odinga's family. Winnie Yala.
Yes.
Raila Odinga noare. Ruth Odinga noare Kisumu. Weyonde noare Siaya. The son of Oburu noare State House. So
advisor.
Yeah, Nero Moromo advisor William Ruto.
Yes.
So it's all about family issues.
Tigapo simwateva mother-in-law. I think na bate a concern kumambi. Nara kira monta fans bagosa naro gotago tebanga aganeti no arimi yo moroberio otagie family yae umanja koruaroro oteka step otage bakama otefa baka mother-in-law blah 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 ngino omuswatio namanya kwebulinga obwamate obwomuntu na mother-in-law na kibobante ko bagochase bomakovia
Ikibona ngeta abantu bali babwato manyamono ngitingo nyara go explain because anda katenda experience
lakini aingi umanyete go
but from what I know
yes.
From what tongora sana story na bagaka ngara to teibale ngaki there's a time I had a conversation over the radio twa umugaka umumranaro umubago sentino murugioe yagacha akagenda sobo bono karagenda sobo Murugio karaenda sobo mumuro felt like tikaenda gukwania bana akaenda na announced nare gutema kubuli aba tegereringa kini numu maitama nganaye do we have a procedure umuntu umusacha bwente kwenda kero mukungu yachire procedure gete bwente kubati gochikorra na bana gusochi ko seka mu rugio liran bono umumuro karacha korra bana ba yacha korra honestly na bana ba yacha korra nali madha indamo nyorete akamosomera akamurama akamatebi otherwise nana abana aba mbali baho
mother-in-law gatebi
umumuro akamurgereria bona kinara ngobwata amagose gatia yaba
mitusiro meta watera kwa marungu omwana nagachete kubwati omusubati oye abo umako byara makobera gasoka kamubekere studio mugasaigo karasoli tukali
by the way
Yes.
Matilda, we need to know bantu banta kwa procedure ngake oroche enyomene chebe aon mother-in-law whatever yo mumuroyo mother-in-law. I don't know, I see you have that sense. A mother-in-law. Ogotabiri ogosomeira mangana makong ogotabiri abana bali bawo enyomenero
nabogo trust na mother-in-law yagera kero kedora nyore ngomusubati na mother-in-law no bamanyete esa abana mbra.
so nakitwara tabanga amaskani na arabwento kurwegwa gochiase asukuru asonyomete ase miakele makana menyire na ndo korengana bunanko igu ne bwana torwa maskani tari manto bali okunya kunyora okunya kwa keresimi babwata maskani. I remember ya video maite I don't know wasema maite mu jumbe noyo Beatrice Cones Cones maite gare a mother-in-law which is Nelson Koech or Belgut, and according to the traditions chava antovalia mother-in-law muri korona. In fact, there's a documentary Nelson Koech akwelesanga kibariko kup mbabwa tabake intermediary ekomanyanga bon Nelson Koech ochirenga ki mother-in-law bwenta gocha parliament mother-in-law tanga nirenga ki Nelson abwenta gocha parliament. It was there. So I think BTC gatiga because akaranga rende tigatiga because now how will it be? Kwa sababu ona son-in-law chire ngakiago chikobere bunga. I think that's what might have made her not to come back. So talibanto muntu bwenta kwayera na konya ko kokora
kosiaro ka ujase pale lakini ase ya buga ngagire to bwa mate bwae
lakini rende before abuga ataracha igentongera nara kotabanga squeeze igentike nkonya gusirakire kwa sababu konyoranga abantu buna rero bamanyata urban towns inchimi yenda amanyata town igaiga, then my mother-in-law comes to say hi etomanyata usine single room gosine one bedroom and mongi na end up even kurara hiro. So also this culture na yarongonya kwa erodiere in a way, but rende I think to the culture yomugusi even tombire bwenta cover respected, especially when you are on how you are handling your in-laws. These are very important people. That's why today you have had stories inga mumra naro mungina naro uro mwisako yo musacha. You have ever heard of that? Those are some of the factors chikogera. But now that we have the senior most here, the insight.
But it depends on that relationship, how you met for the first time. And you'd be shocked at my age, if I'm married the firstborn, like how much the firstborn in the family, that means she could be young, the mom could be young. So she could be doing different. Kuwakwanga nyoma kuwase family and like
talking the last born.
Yes. But this is an incident when you meet kuwase family and like the mom could even want to argue as a son-in-law. But you see, you cannot stop it. Assuming you have met somewhere as a evidence, your mother-in-law has lost their loved one, kwachi or nkyoramukwa. You shake her hand and move on. How do you console your mother-in-law? In
fact, there are some communities you don't even shake hands.
Yes.
Yeah.
But is it worth it? Okay, let me ask you. You argue your mom. She's your mom. Now, the other woman becomes your mom. Or your name was mama, but still mama Kera, Nero Quatomo, Morgiogo. Your mom. Now, assuming I have no massager, mommy Nas the Taisho. So the only mom you know is
the mother-in-law.
My mother-in-law. So what you told me, I want to sing in joke, but God forbid.
By the way, we need to
know. Actually, I remember the first time I saw Mukumbu. It was a Stiangoko.
You ate?
Of course. It might be. Okay, now I got ring back in nose. But only I was too. Yes, Kuma. You go and go. Kuma.
Matilda, I think abuga we need you mugako joy babo yonde ngakyakoro kwa nyambane
yes
to acha ichega iga intubono tumuboria maswali tumubori nga why could umugaka tabwene ndikogenda mwamu muroyo nyomete nyumba na ingi gekora maybe mother in law attach so mother in law
atabona ntugucha somonso batyo mwana yasoga
yasa mwana yasoga ataenda mwaye I think abuga we need a setting
que mogo discuss in America vandu mbago ta discuss more
sure
maybe most of the crowds bachira America tiro nyome nyaro mwana ago to process mamo mwao
oenda
to America moko masinyo mbabe you beating from the same house also kwa ache bafu tanga nga ache bafu yende kile mata nje wote kama tu wali nyumba yama kama nyumba nyingine still God comment also many friends but they manage to mother in America life is that different I like the way aba into menyete by the konyo bapeka sto terma wakora gerambo both the in-laws and his family chinchika stamochi wakora from the same pot by the wakora biao I get charity in Gavako. Sometimes it was yes, Neki. It's got to guidance and going to comment. Their levels are can't go. Now, my mom was wearing your man, but my dad, Tanya was raised.
Taiwan,
you see, Taiwan. Timothy thing or Arwara, no. About going you, but the guest car on the way you.
No, we need Yabagaka, but how do we connect the ekikusi keriakare and the modern world? What is that connection you went to watch? Because the argument of Abuge is very correct. The same way now there are some abantu bamanyete chitown yechi mother-in-law gocha in fact yorara in these rented houses. Anga kitbono tra connect ekikusi keriakare with the modern world. Gego sirapi go say we have any other alternative. We need them, I think.
It depends on the individual. Like you got ready. Navanta. No, the same thing. Kramokora Goli. Kariba Terengo Musvati, Akolare Kona, Saturday Kuru,
Kerumuina.
Lero chinyomba njevati.
Just nyomba
tanangire kobe kukona.
Tangobe kana kona. So where is the corner? Okay, the corner with the baga the banga corner. Na se unogo swaso murangu.
Chia muino.
Akiwa ndio space chia gaji. Aneko ano murangu swa. Tankrega tigati. Ano murangu we bafu. So murangu no muruje. Ano murangu we bafu. Entrisha dero. Ano murangu we nyumba. Ane balcony. So kero mu biago they say it's protection. Wakati the bedroom yao, oto ne balcony yo deket. Ano murangu we cho, ano murangu wo so. So mu arise. Utanga ni kumu. Ai como protect. Mu bitaka so ko balcony. Sago de go to outside bedroom mamu. It mu kawo. It don't depends. Kuna kiokorere. N'abantu ba maskani of course ngotoka. The tingo enda nyumba. Mother ino ya nje kete skirt nyumba. Ngabona ina maskani njo. Abona omba ona risigo chake. The way you respect your mother, you say because you respect my mom, no tato, no father, no bana ba mi no ba. It's about respect. Onye te wango bua go ime. Still aba kagendo cake, aba commence. Onye konye nya sore. At what level as ke mother now?
Togo musika. Wayozo kanyara.
Como nya nalio tegete ko.
The only thing is just that by ne we can for more than 5 minutes ko. Kero chaba ti nyinge no nesi ninde ke. Kache tani sana. Ndeke.
Abuko kora no kwatu mucharo boko gamba na bible.
But for me, I would have wished by the murangiria mugako jo they are available. Acheka igatora mubolia maswali mange, especially abugara tutigere geti because in tunjanzi even tombere to ko ukoruma ya bia kabere. We need some clarifications. Especially which as how do we connect the culture to the modern
gekogera nava usenaki kono rande nga kerokende na bonte kete mbere ne mata ache na tare mne weekend rio kono robo egete ache lakini ukwarengereri na mukana muteyaya so busawoja poka na ndombole niki enyumba ne bwate enyumba ya hoteli tiri single room Ningeke bono ngorengere nateba yaya maskari.
Ndio korengere because she's your own mother.
Yes.
Baby yeah.
Can you introduce your boyfriend? Just my mommy.
Nje.
Tell me I'm date for 2 months. No, introduce my mommy. 2 months.
Nje ndeme.
You see your mom? Mom inaanza kutwara kwa bango mwise kwa no kini tara mbetera mumura. Otina amoro na mumura. Tanya kwa ndina kwa mumura. You see now aka kwa mwana wa kolega si media.
How come say
Watu mwile kutwara kwa bango na njita abachukuru. You see your sisters are married, also my brothers are married. Krakora to bachukuru. You see a difference njira. Anenda gere korosu. Babe nyingi.
Njira umuntu nako sasoka.
Umuntu nako goka.
Yes.
Bono your mom is worried. Bono umuntu yo asakamete gali. Aise gocha. Omuntu kinyomba for 5 minutes tio kaenda na neduka.
Na wakumanya.
Akorani saki nyombe ngima. She wants to know.
Well, there's someone comes here.
Na baba so kama ndenga wana be comfortable na chi. Kakibona hizo gocha omuntu kinyomba for 1 hour. Ati go check ko tunaanzira kwa simu sacha nji. Ako ende gole maswali.
Kere ndo nikiane gere nyomba.
Enga kinerego ika even these parents of ours baba worried ngakyogendete asobogma ngakinero moibori yako chako ba worried nga mwiso koyo no somo muroyo ne bono meroberi kiabwate enga kinera aka ku singire ate karasoma eini ngakiri lakini monero yaikire whereby ata getoko manyanga how are you progressing kende ngaki you see
andi na manyite kerengere kia kyo bateba nga atagete gontara arore usena bwenire ndi na wateri kubagetiga nga ngore gachaka kongita ngate hatinda get pressure
maybe na bara gocha kubanga bonga kyo manyete nyombe yue urarwara rende
bate enyombe rengendo
wandi alengane sana wote mambo ngani kubagoriete abuka mambyo kwa veti wandi ya kubendi ndiri unaona Ndio nene pingire metangani isabali ya swati ama kubango tsari omo ngale wandinga mwana na ruwa tataliko kilimo roteti oli kubendi atuwa nyote ndikula sanese yo sana kwa romo gima so ziwa dengo tsara tutagetiaje bakyo tagetamenye ona na batsa ndikete iyo abendo chomoleto naboko kole bikoro tato tsangisi bikoro kole bikoro we komorango kala kubone byango montene ni bayatiga
That's a good advice. So nae karakari manyanga kyomonga na kagocha. Ayarenga no productive. Maybe she's yearning for abachokoro. Of course na baratware, but from one sorai personal aje. Aya Matilda.
Komona bata ngwa abachokoro. Songa siatali anya kuwata murabane. Umutko gwabuga tali rozama. Kiro umutko gakocha kivyake.
Yeah.
Ono onyo kuibolete peniranda gwete ose obuyambura igwete ka kuiboleta gade ko reproductive obuyo bulibwa igwete osubulu bulibwa igwete ni okuibo so the only way ala relieve pain ile igwete ka kubya Matilda
ndidina mochokoro
so there's no day have at peace mata bang namba ba walete kanyo mo na watu murayo no mo ta kunyo nyago itebu sa obepye kenyo abata bazbati baba nyomi rubachira Batono mongno somo gako tabu ati moto ko mongba raja motindike mali aya ngare tinga wono nakingo chako kwanyo mongno ako develop pressure go saigo kuzina tabu ati moto
akonya gostoka
dawake kama ngatu wake sabu ka moto ko bawo ko ligi o moto ko bomo swati ati motindike ozo moto ko bomo bomo na bomo muromo abaje motindike gendike sumo abangana sana abaka na bagwazum Akinya bangina batwalde myakere igorake ndiko sumba sana bongo sana ona yenye mami no batetinga taja korona tatori watu wali metu robwate no kotanyoma ona ay matenga ay mama njwari sabe no ko sabe bikoro
yeba ebyane nkobekande bikoro tebinene sanda Nawago chacha orage bikoro tubirara bire sana.
I hope that into more na banyaruka beke goligia genzi na boigo as
By the way karatika ko gendrete igo mungwana nara kuruku Barnabas ratemo ke konge ko the way do akatari ako kwandi ndu wako bolinga igo ngakyo
Wakonye sana.
This advice.
Bana basi.
Na uwancho mwergere. Ingia kubo.
Bana basi yako bolinga bado ore single. Bana basi anyway aya ne advice twarikoru twaru advice go chia sabantu wetera Matilda. In fact maybe I even need this advice the most. Lakini rende. All in all rende.
Disclaimer nero.
Disclaimer nero.
Don't mean what to say. But you have the chance.
Anyway, tigatuko kwani Barnabas Ratemba they no mungwano mya sana no afuatilia Getembe sana ali radio ne TV gano ali amaiga mange ndugu ayabono ndigimaiga yetende turakwana good
abasai banje bachakira koroga na wanja rumba se na rase gazeti gaba temanga rumba music ya chakira kwa popular ase abasai beke walio katimetinga
nche personally ba korukale konde still young ninganjete rumba I'm used to rumba I'll tell you more rumba than anything else lakini again tukakogera ntu atwara again donge tokoruka squeeze modern rumba yare tuna bana muziki babo Fally Ipupa Feregola ecoresonate nabasai that's why they have loved if they love rumba then they love modern rumba Mazinto bwate rumbe nkoro yabo mari Lu System Franco Luambo Luanzo Makiadi babo
Umetena irete ya kirokene nje mbwato umuchando senchongo tegerande rumba yes kuruo bwana
in fact baka bantu bago profile
timeze usene singencho yo moiboli anchite kwa kanyara kobeka ya bwata kiro mundaro bono njiga tokangana develop interest yo yo kunyago tegera matera rumba no kunyara tore nonye na buke tauneke Kochi wetega kwanyoro kunya usingisio kunya gelia ka mutu
bono initially yarengi rumba ne yabagaka lakini enche people could accuse me bago bowling ngakibona wotegera matera yabagaka igara sujete nabaka this phone of mine 95% na matera rumba but muna nago tebyo nyabasai banchire rumba then it means it's all about modern rumba through the TikTok
lakini rumba generally not even modern rumba
lakini sakoli research mono they might be liking modern rumba amatera Fally Ipupa bona bona watera kwa Mayday born something of that kind so at least nabo lakini tigabanche rumba is good
yes
tumaitia buga usengo tegera
okay I've never think about the French by the most rumba music is in French so I think my French I could get maybe one or two words to French sakero kwani muntu kopera asante because I don't know if you want some money but then as my come about the free time yani kana most songs are French by the go translate it as a computer so you can listen to the wordings but together go translate as a song or English minute they are good songs when it comes to where or send a message you love or communicate you one time they are good songs and then matter they expire by the matter that ask you got them you think contract expire within one day the matter room will expire they will still be there these are songs so called the chat together and then if you find a child or a primary whatever rumba music so again take care matera maya but we tanya yons gara matera sai
to tegera matera kanisa
ya munta kwara ite matera bera so tera kwa mboko na samga ta abuate program ya butuko kwara zikaba tera kwanya sai kwa koro kwanya sai na nojo hanzo saba afisho yao
ngosabande sometimes ngosabande na sometimes tindi ngosaba lakini it's a good reminder
isho ya hebu sene ntubate tisho sio ngosaba na pona ntubate chaba tera ntubate wasaseni yes
Zongwati kwerendi but there's a madam who would normally praise for us by the Keronako especially Keronako olire asasta Guru Madam Tichalis by the como kwandi ando siasare nanje tegonsabira sana especially Keronako rumorobali so teringa because we broadcast go say a show on rumba and other some music she related to the world ways abagotera nabanyasai and in fact we have even rumba that a gospel yeah so gosaba korkunko bwatinga ne bagotegera amatera abo abana muziki bande baborege whatever gosaba korkunko bwati limitation.
Those are programs. Ama so much it's all depends on faith. Think what the faith is.
Ngosa vanga kichile.
Ona len kondi kurandi kanisa. Ngapo no toliki. Ona bwate target ya mara nyomere kanisa. Asukire. Kama na sama.
Ego abantu baoso kanisa. Tali bonse bao tare brengere.
Tali bonse wako.
The Taribons baliba
bago profess my name.
Taribons baliba watorere tari abando katate
para roborai.
Abantu mbako ende kanisa simply because maybe I don't know to kill time was influence to muntu wakaenda. You remember topate gali sama sabalia the muntu na abantu mbako gosap. Someone was praying in the name of someone. Nganya sa tro choyo yale ya tro chinche tindi boy those prayers like in fact let me tell you kanisa you are entitled to do what is right according to the Bible abantu mbako ende kanisa because of their own reasons
Matina batamanye ndakini ndoba sacha ngo twale girlfriend yao we cross to a relationship no mo ka mo cross kama kwenye mo pastor kitaka mtumire message kama kwa tenga bono na kutrandi na kutumire message ile no kiza wako kama kande kanza Jumamosi sima pili kwa nyana ngomo muntu murandio Yesu ane ngokurandi kwa maswa yao
ne message yako nyorero moto
message yako bora kibono chingondi change kuchirandi matokora chingondi chawa calling ne koru koru ya they say in action speaks louder than words ono nyi koru ya obire
but ne bora bumwanya bantu they are all human beings
and now we go back to I want mate to gwa compare no murandi murandi na iro komoko ukukora chingondi chai olibona is a special. That's why even the Catholic Church is very quite priest. He said you either choose or stay in the church or in the cake.
Oende senyo.
Oende senyo. Ona toka nyorando yo terenga mambo yambere kanisa na leo kumukani mukao mwino baiga. Na tumako ende kanisa tegera marandi terenga bono. Amarandi namangao nenyo monina.
Ego mukumukani no ikanisa yitaji.
Ontai kumukani. Forma tukumele maswali ya mangi sana. Atawa tema chi. Ayo gogo ya kabele ele gato kwanya kwa twale mental issues kwanya kwa boyo moro kwaje ko tomo yi no lebe tugare mabe aziko chaka dari ngai to ko na biru chaka
Ego era barandi bande basteri kuruchikanza
by the Matilda mungona ara ku Shadrack Kaminga my classmate yatabanga apart from gotekerera rumba is always friendly music we need to listen to na ikona more message than his music za modern so Shadrack Kaminga na kukwande sana ndo sia soro endugu this is my classmate I'm happy na to ligereti ikona Barnabas watumaira maika mwensi ataba mbakwani no mo tegereri tu sana no mo ligereti to mia sana yeah
mbe bona sana ase nsema ya dondo
tokorora ya sesema ya dondo Dondo maite chire rero ntaito ende Masinga Kiva Masinga I think it is in Machakos County Masinga na vera ya Machakos
Ukambani
I think ni Ukambani tiata banga ile Ukambani kidosho afokewa kusukuma baba yao agawe ardhi abono munyaruka nare gaigo maite according to the constitution ya rero yabono ya machikubura chenchiri even no mwana munyaruka nare entitled ko bagirwa ensemo ye kwerende ye ngeria yabo ibuli bae bono gaiga ndocho mwese munyaruka nare gaiga ori gusukuma ise koranga iga rocha ndaki miaka yange kanire tomo kumanyanga ndio mugako ya oranyore bagotebanga obutoire ngoli siji kukata kamba never related to gusi oh no ya before atara butere ngoli ya kare komote yo muse ka kyo taranganya kurwa so boyiko bwense karato bagera turara kiro muntu nga muino mwana munyaruka karato bagera tororenga mungai tore belonged sababu koranga abwato bo banda kaisa ko ngako ya isa kusira nabara nyuma machi munyaruko yoyi nere dondo yi
Ekereke nene, onde kago sabini be gecho kwa mkonya mbuya, lakini tachi kwa mwana mpotevu. Wana turachi gotwara the prodigal. Tibeti daughter.
The prodigal daughter.
Tawa the prodigal son. Basa vetere mapema nganje karanga nsemo yani. Nyakwebanga. Lakini kera biasa. Egatoka nga umwana twarire excitement nyingi akagenda kurokia.
Wakoli.
Nsemo ya waso musibati ko sabeni hivyo.
Kwa sababu ni burazi.
Burazi ise.
Timen dinge kaje by the no tasaba na kwa parents will tend to give abana babaswati sinyi. Kwa bana teka na kinetena kwa sister hano linga kwa school same time 9. So njira na kayo. But I remember kango kiendo sister hana kwa school. Mama mwachira sana tata mwachira. Que explodia antinativo almenga na Mauricio. Vai se kadinga geto kadinga bas na classe osoko fevo mwana music but ya maitatia mange na sawa na music. So kwa nguvu ati mtana. For me kwa nguvu ati mtana. Kwa nyumba to mwana music I couldn't wish her to take band na asara kali.
Mbia muna sana wikiraga buno tokorera omurubiri rituko ria rero tumeto semo batikene mwarenge commentary lakini asense meyo
no asama iga goka turaro korase bari baturigereti mongora naro ku Brian kuruchinsemo chirichia apa hilari tegesali no mo rigere itomu ya sana ne abantu bose
ba nero bosongo
nero n'abantu ba
usongo zine apa ipose getiro
yose getiro
apa
that's the only simple way n'abantu bonse bataracha nongo tosonja bari sana no mugaka narali okoro kumachoka wakanarali okoro kukibage ndio bwateduka gali mongina umugambi Paris Omambia na my own grandmother Baba Helen, a very big fan of us. Na nchena amboli nga bono ngakiolengereti lakini ndo mongina ira ngolense mbiere nyasaye no muyana gende toko beko n'abantu bonse bataracha bali ntatuli ino n'abantu abo nyasaye gende ko basese ni botambe
abongero metaro taro tora mai
ngobya abantu nga kero abasaze mwanyo mera baswati abakungu banyora abana atibara kongia abana babo kwanza priority kongia abana but baruale baadaye wasibati wali mchana baadaye na wasaza makonga bakungu baatanganyira advise kukokea and breast cancer seek the proper way ya wakora munjo kwa mbiti na abana kugonga
Mancho murigereria wikirabo no turaje gukorera gusitura bekiregetone asomurobere bwetu ari agetembe ritukeriga ria rero kora studio ya kabere etimentingu bakora wanere Mike Wilfred Matundra ntobate Jasper na boigo na banda bange bakoneke kwanyara chivichane rio gasinchira engikerenu ase abatenere bonse bagetembe TV tokorigeria bonse bakora wa na abatenere bonse bagetembe TV tokuveranera bronsi mbia mona kiagira bagenda tokoneke una kwanyore signe yega asinchira ere eya bene kigama ngoroka matinda ubegwa kenda utwara uburigererio bia yenda gutigara ime ya getembe TV asechinga kichabono enyorere GTN box asigeka getari getambe
Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzitosomya bamura baje kuyama ndegere uzitosomya bamura baje kuyama ndegere